Write down below if you think he's talking to somebody cool. He's saying something. He said, oh my gosh! It's the guy. Hey, sir. Sorry, I get nervous. No, I know. I've been taking photos like that for years, bro. You don't even have to worry. No, he's like running. Warning, this game is awesome, and you are going to play it when you load up the game and it's... Okay. When was the last time you took a photo of something? Maybe yesterday, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Well, today we're gonna be taking photos of people, and something's gonna be wrong with these people. At least I think. I don't really know how the game works yet. Hello everybody, my name is 3FS, welcome to Photo Anomaly, a horror game where ghosts are hiding inside pictures and people and you gotta differentiate between the two. Let's not waste more time, let's press that new game button. This game automatically will want you to have a good day. Okay, let's go with me, bro. No, day 14. Turn on the fuse box in the back alley. The power must be out again. I should reset the fuse from the back alley. What? Goodness, what freaking time is it? Well, it's 3 p.m. for me. I wonder what time it is for this guy. Open the fuse box in the back alley. Wait a minute, do I live in my store? Oh, freaking genius, bro. And the back room's wallpaper, man, get out, lad. Come on. Okay. Free candy. Nah. You may fool a 4-year-old, not me. Bang. Now, if that said free Wagyu beef, this video would be going very differently at this current moment. I should clean up before opening the shop. Alright, bro. Clean up. Alright, this place looks fine, bro. Grab a broom and have fun. Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Grab a broom and clean the stains on the floor. What stains? That's not even bad, bro. Nobody's gonna freaking notice that. Dude, see, I'm getting to that age now where I've played so many of these games where it's just like, alright, do this task, do this task, do this task. I almost don't even want to play the game because of that, bro. Open the shop. Alright, let me put the broom back. Alright, fair enough. Come on in, everybody. Gosh. Alright, let's turn on the stinking lights. Goodness. Couldn't see a gosh darn thing. What the frick is this? Oh, this is where I take photos. Hold on, let me close the door. Lock. Goodness. Big industrial door strength. What's up, dude? No stinking way, bro. This gotta be me, bro. Who else has got posture like this, bro? What's up, bro? I've been waiting for a long time. I've been waiting for a long time for the shop to reopen. I want a photo where I look handsome. See, now, if this was real life, you gotta start gassing the dude up. Be like, nah, man, you just want a normal photo because you always look handsome. Bang. Come on, bro. And then he's gonna like tip me like 20 freaking dollars. That'll buy lunch. Actually, nowadays that'll buy like half a lunch. I got you, bro. What do you need? Oh, he's just going straight in there. Format, landscape, print size, 340, print count, 3 trillion. Okay, let's get it. Where's my camera at? Oh, shoot, man. I must be lucky today. When I was a kid, my dad never wanted me to go in this room. Who could be inside? What the frick? Alright, bro. Oh! Okay. Jump scared by a tutorial. To take a valid customer photo, stand on the marked spot and shoot while in the camera mode with the correct rotation. If you're taking camera valid in the photo, the green icon will appear in the right. Okay. Okay, so my camera's gonna tell me if I'm doing a good job. I must be a crappy photographer. Okay. Alright, dude. Alright, now to be quite honest, this is the worst photo of anybody you could ever take. The lighting stinks, my lights are freaking broken in here. Somehow the light's blinking over there and the light's right here. Do I have a suit I can put him in, bro? Because this is egregious. He's not even smiling. Say cranberry juice. See? It was bogus. Do I gotta get closer? Oh, did I scare you guys? Sorry. Is this stinking Messi? This looks exactly like Messi. Nope. Oh! Come on, where you going? Hey, man. One photo and he's out, bro. That picture had him stressing. To transfer the photos to the computer, interact with the PC while holding the camera. Hold the envelope, interact with the photos. Okay. Alright, interact with the PC while holding the camera. No. Camera connected, new photos detected. Do you want to start transfer? Yes. I thought it was gonna start spitting like a little poem. Okay, photos. Oh! We gotta get rid of that middle one, bro. This would be like the photo you put on your wall. This would be what you use on like a YouTube thumbnail. You know what I mean? Okay. Print. Size 3x4. Copies. Well, you need 3 of them. You thought he hit 2 and he's like, alright, that's good. Bang! Gosh, stinking easy as a butt cheek, bro. Oh! Dude, I think he walks in the gym and only hits back. That's crazy, bro. You gotta get that fixed. Got the photo. Now, is this all 3? No. Oh, wait a minute. Yep. 3 photos. Envelope. What the frick am I doing? Why do you do it? Okay, there we freaking go. Here you go, bro. Sorry about that. When I went to bed, I forgot how to do my whole job. Bro, take them. Quit looking at me, bro. Kick out the store. All right, dude, there you go. There's your photos. Is that a Minecraft villager? It's getting hot in here, bro. Go ahead. Take them. Bro, here you go. Take them. They're yours. What, does he have to give me money first? Probably. Hold on, let me just like try to slide him in his pocket. Hold on. So he clearly doesn't want to pick him up. Let me put him in his pocket. Okay. Okay. Oh! Alright. Bro, that's actually gonna tick me off. No. Within Buddy Living, bro, I clicked on his face and it didn't do that the first time. Yeah, how much money did I get, though? How much money was that? How much money was that? Okay, just don't tell me. Alright, that's cool. Yeah. Alright, wait, actually, you know, great way to find out. Let's go to the stinking store. 39 bucks for 3 photos? What a deal, what a deal. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm good on envelopes. I don't need frames. I don't give a fart about that. I want pictures of my customers in my store. It's a little odd. Hold on, who just walked in? Hi, ma'am. I'm applying for a passport. Can you take the proper photo for it? You've come to the best shop in town. There's like a dude across the street named like Photo Bobby. He's like taking the best photos. No, me now. All right, ma'am. Sit down. Yes. Oh my gosh. Bro, she's low-key mogging on me, bro. Chill, bro. Might have to turn my face cam off. Get mogged right now. Wait, I gotta do the same thing, like get up and close? This makes sense for a passport photo. Oh! Wait, what are the requirements? Portrait. Yeah. There we go. Can I not? There we go. Oh, look. No. Look. Boom. Gonna do a little print. Do I have a Bluetooth camera? I didn't even know they made those. All right, let's delete that. Set as. Oh! No! That's weird as frick, bro. Oh, gosh darn it. Hold on. There we go. Gosh, bro. Hashtag weirdo mode, bro. Do y'all think I should scam her? Should I scam her? Nah, okay, I won't. Alright. Oh, gosh, man, that electric bill's speaking to me. Telepathically saying, pay me. Print. Okay, what, 2x3? 5 of them? You getting 5 passports? Holy moly. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello? Somebody messing with my water supply? Okay. Sorry about that, ma'am. Sorry about the delay. Gosh, I'm so stinking good at this, bro. Here you go. Appreciate y'all. How much money did you give me? Ooh! Bro. Oh my gosh, if I was like 2 years younger, I'd been freaking tweaking out. Half of y'all the comments right out. Where's the power? This freaking mess with me. This freaking Lego beef! I just turned off one of my lights. Yo, what the frick? We broke his jump scare. Start talking about food. What's going on, bro? Bro. My light turned back on. Thank you, man. And this guy's over here. What do you want? Tell me. Who is this dude? They printed a photo of me where I look awful on my missing person poster. I want you to take a better one. Okay, this guy thinks 2 + 2 adds up to 3. Okay. Hey, if you got the money to pay, bro, it's all yours. Oh. Gosh, bro. I haven't seen this much alcohol consumption in a single human in 5 years, bro. Yo, sit down! Alright, bro. I'm just gonna take the most bullcrap photo of this guy. This guy doesn't even know up from down right now. Oh, it's like giving me requirements? Bro, chill, bro. You have fun, bro. I'm not going in there. Smells like pinto beans. All right, I got you, dude. Hold on. Why is he like Loki chilling in the photo? He's like, you can't even tell he's drunk in the photo. Darn it. Wrong button. 4x6. Oh, he wants some big poster size.
Gotta start near gigantic.
Start. I have a feeling I'm gonna get scammed. If I do, all right, here's what I'm gonna do. If he doesn't put money on the desk, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close that door and beat him up till he doesn't understand English anymore. Yeah, that's a good idea. Hey man, you go out to those missing persons you go out to the posters and make them look good, bro. Potter? Farted. Okay. Here you go, dude. Genius. Can I get the door for you? Oh, seems like you got it, alright. Maybe that's just how he is, man. You never know. Some people really just like to walk. Sometimes. Oh, that's my water. What's up, dude? What can I do for you today, kind sir? Wait a minute. Now, sir, I'm so sorry for the delay, but the store is screaming my name. Let's see how much money I got. 89 stinking dollars. What should I buy?
Gotta buy that nice background, bro.
Okay. Good idea. Good idea. Now, is it insta arrival? 1 second, sir. Let me go check.
Now you're good, bro. Don't even worry about it.
Yes. Yes, it is. Gotta give you the premium experience. Sorry for the delay. Let's go. I'm releasing a new album. Take my photo while I pose for the album cover. Okay, bro. What kind of genre are we talking? What kind of music you make?
That music that makes you want to beat people up, man. Look. Come on, bro. Don't even mess around, bro. It's that real stuff, bro.
He wants landscape 3x4. Gosh, yeah, no, it's tough, bro. It's tough, bro. You're looking good. Looking good. Wait a minute. Hold on.
Barbie spider?
So, okay, sorry, that's something else.
Wait, what?
Something else took the photo. Bang, bro. Looking crazy. Once 4 beat 3x4s. You have a phenomenal day. No, I know. August 14th, I know. It's coming. I got you. How much money we got now? I'm just getting all the sting goodies. I gotta get the softbox lighting. Now keep in mind though, if I run out, how much ink do I have? How much ink do I have? Who's this? Oh, let's see. I have 4 paper left. What the frick? Paper's 15 bucks. Yeah, I'll do it. Paper deliveries. You can pick up delivered orders from the delivery pallet in the back alley. Okay. Hold on, I think it's already here. Oh my gosh. Oh my stick. Already here. Let's frickin' go, bro. His arm's gotta be tired, bro. You can put him down. No pressure. Okay, alright, hold on. What can I do for you, sir?
I need to get a photo taken that I can use for a job application.
Okay. Job application? I have a feeling that's due to self-employed. Put your stinking arms down, bro! Where'd he go? Hey. Missing. Wait, the person I took the photo is missing. How? Where did he go? Who took him? Let me turn the power back on. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Let me turn the power back on. Somebody's always freaking messing with my power! Hey, man. You know, aren't you looking jolly? Have you ever seen a clown before?
Duh.
Well, I know, but there was one that just came to the store. He's like stealing my freaking photos. Like, wasting all his photos, this freaking guy. He turns off my power. Isn't that crazy?
Just take the goddamn photo.
Okay. My friends at school claim I do not show up in photos. I need a photo as proof to them. If you had an iPhone, that'd be a pretty quick way to do it yourself. All right, let's test it. All right, go ahead, sit down. I got you. Ooh, get it, girl. Let's go. All right, let's see if it works. Don't show up in photos. Huh? You're a funny trickster. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Is she lying, everybody? Let's see. You're right here. I can see you clear as day. Clear as day. What's up, hey? Print. 4x6. 2 of them. Genius. Now what are you gonna do? Disappear in real life? Oh, that's gonna be funny. That's just gonna be great, isn't it? All right. Steve's losing it. I can order envelopes using the store on the computer. Wow, I would have never guessed. Okay. Here you go, ma'am. Oh my gosh, how much money I get? Do I need more envelopes? 44 bucks. How many envelopes do I have? I'm out. Appreciate you, sir. You know what I think it is? Free candy man also have free envelopes, free paper man, but it's not free. I got paid on the store. You know what I mean? Oh, for a second I thought this dude had no shirt. Oh, he doesn't have a shirt. Hey man, I have the refright to few sir. It's any. Get out. Now. Hello?
I miss my wife so much. I want to take a photo of her. If we reunite someday, I want to give it to her.
Whatever life you had with her, you seem much happier right now, bro. Alright, bro. Oh, maybe he's like sad and happy at the same time. Put a shirt on, bro! Oh my gosh. Got a stinking belly button, his little buddy's in the picture. Dude, ew! Ew! All right, let's get it. Yo, you guys would never catch me walking into a picture shop with no shirt on. All right, just give me 1 second, bro. You want a 2x3? Yo. Oh my gosh, how kind. His wife's not.
What is it? Something wrong with the photo?
All right, why are my dialogue options like not addressing the? There's not even an elephant in the room. It's just the human in the room. Yes, I can see a woman. I was gonna say how kind of his wife to sneak through the door while I'm taking his photo and sneak in there with him.
Saying things out loud can be a problem for some people.
I bet you guys might like seeing this picture of Toaster Strudel instead of seeing the jump scare. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys liked it. Okay, we can resume the video.
Alright, let's close the shop. Let's go sleep. Switch off the lights. It's crazy. We live in we live in permanent land. Day 200. We live in permanent land. The sun's just never out. Alright, everybody, come in. Oh my gosh, there's gotta be like a wiener on his face or something. They're censoring it for me. Thank you, game. Hello? Don't ask questions, just listen. I know what you saw last night. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. No, I think you're lying. Go ahead and tell. The previous owner, your father worked with us. Now it's your turn. No. There has to be some dollar signs involved, bro. And I cannot do this for free, unfortunately. Pay this key in this film roll. I'll be back to collect the printed results. Don't mention me or what we talked about to anyone. We'll meet again soon. What? What is this? How do I view this film roll? What is he doing? Wait, what did he do? Did he flip the sign and flipped it back over? It still says open on the outside. But a key. 1 second, dude. I gotta check something out. Bro. Interact with the cutting station until the film roll is used to produce photos in the negative form. Place the negative photos into the developer's stop bath in the fixture solution order, then wait for the process to finish. Okay. Hang the photos you take from the fixture on the drying rack to dry. What are we taking photos of, bro? Nah, chill. That's just my buddy Roman. Once dry, you can collect the photos and put them into an envelope. Evil room, bro. How you doing, sir?
I need to renew my ID. Can you take my photo in the correct size?
Nah, bro, I can't do that, bro. Alright, he said the correct size, 2x3. What the frick is he doing? My gosh, bro, he's got the world's longest femur sitting right on the edge. I'm surprised the stool fell over, bust his butt cheeks on the floor. Couldn't give a frick, bro. My type of guy. What's up, man? He wants 6 photos for some frickin' reason. He's gonna get 6 driver's licenses. Now, I need to get the softbox. The softbox is gonna be so OP. Everybody's gonna be coming into my store for that. Let's do... Actually, I want to save that one as evidence just in case things get bad. Delete. Okay. 6, 2x3. Here you go, dude. Appreciate y'all. How much money? Go to the store! $57. Nice. Alright, not too many people now. Come on, guys. Come on, chill on the line outside the door, you guys. Chill. Alright, now what do I need to... Oh. How's it going, ma'am? I took some photos for my New Year planner. Can you develop them? Yes, I stinking can. Hand them over. Wait a minute. Oh, I didn't know it was the film roll I had to do this with. I thought they were gonna hand me photos. Hold on. I'll do yours first and then I'll do the ones that I got second. Okay. So it says developer 10 seconds. Okay, I thought they were gonna make me count 10 seconds, but I'd look over my OBS and just count 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds.
Can you hurry the frick up, please?
1 second, ma'am. 1 second. I got a lot more photos to do.
Wait, I'm be here all friggin' night.
10 more seconds, man, for this first photo. Genius. Can I stack them all up? Can I do multiple at one time? I can't, bro. Okay. Yeah, let me start doing multiple at once. Oh my gosh, it's like Roblox Tycoon, bro. It's like a Roblox Tycoon. Oh, I gotta let them dry out. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Give me 1 second, man. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the most important step. I almost sold her wet pictures. I mean, hey, if you wanted that, you could have it. But I hope you'd want them dry. It's 1, 2, 3. 4. You frickin' know it. Dum, dum, dum. Here you go, ma'am. Ah, you have a great night. How much? That has to be lucrative money I just got. 80 bucks. My finger slipped. Frickin' go. Can I turn off the light in here and get... Oh, ultra, man. Ultra mode, bro. Ultra man. They call me photo boy. All right, let's start on these ones over here. Put you right there. I can just leave these up there, but I want to look at them. Oh, I saw like a baby on there. Oh, Wait, what is this one? Oh my gosh, the grandma's missing from the photo. Oh! Somebody go, oh! Whoa! What is that? Man, you gotta look at these, bro. There's some bull crap going on in these photos. Hey, you chill out. Dude, my like whole mic stand is broken, bro. My setup's coming apart right before I move, bro. It's horrible. There's like the chair, the headphones, now the microphone, my computer's next, bro. Or that was last summer when I got hacked. So okay, I'm good there. I'm good there. It already happened. Let's see this. Ew, dude. Who put those stupid clothes on that little baby? He's screaming to have them off. Take them off. Take them off. You gotta see this one, bro. Look at that freaking baby on there. That thing's crazy. No, see. Oh, sorry. No, view it. View it. That's where the grandma went, bro. No, I know there's a can in that photo. Look, there she is. My gosh, man. What's this last one? Ah, my gosh. Somebody threw a frisbee. Look. Check this out, bro. I've never seen this frisbee before, bro. Isn't that crazy? Oh, he doesn't care at all. The photos I take of myself look terrible. Can you take a good one? Simple request, simple answer. You came to the best spot in town. Let's go to the frickin' room, bro. Come on. Hey, quit controlling my power. Gosh, he's like sitting there like, oh, okay. Nah, bro. You're lying, bro. You must be lying over there. You know what I gotta say? You had to be lying to me on that counter, bro. Landscape 3x4, 5. Oh my gosh. Look at this, man. You thought this Michael Jackson. Back up.
Bro, how'd it turn out? It look good?
Yeah. Okay there, swaggy boy. Go to the swaggy table with your swaggy walk. Gosh, I'll beat you to a pulp if you ever do some crap like that ever again. Transfer completed. How many freaking what? People always want. Can nobody just have one photo and be happy? What do I even do with these photos? Quit messing with my power! Bro, he's messing with my power and my water supply, bro. He's swaggy boy. I'm a swaggy boy. Alright, here you go, dude. Oh my gosh. Load me up. How much is it? $26? Oh, no. To be fair, I drained myself all the way down to like 5 last time. Okay. Quit all that yelling! Dude wasn't even laughing out there, he's just yelling. Alright, come on. What do you need, Joe? What do you need?
Listen, kid, they say I need to put a profile photo on that Zuckbook thing. Take one for me.
Yeah, okay, you'll get your Zuck. He's got the Zuck walk, bro. I'll take your photo, Mr. Zuck. That's not. What is going on? Hey, bro, if you want that pose, I'll do the pose, man. Is he wearing socks? You gotta have shoes to be in my store. I'll make an exception. He's tweaking out. Y'all see that? He glitched. He's looking at me. No, I know. They'll eat it up. Eat it up. The Zuckbook people will be a fan. This is actually not even that bad. All right, bro. A little hips. Yay. Hey, bro. I get it, man. I get it. Sometimes you just gotta have a good day. Yeah, that's all. No. Come on now. Finally! First person to order one photo. You know what you're gonna get for that? You know what you're gonna get for that? A frickin' high five. One photo for my big boy right here. Here you go. You have a great day. Come on. Come on, bro. It just legitimately doesn't get any better. Okay, alright.
I'm a journalist. We have some new photos. They need to be developed without showing anybody. Please tell me and do not call the police.
Hey man, when you come to Photo FS, you get peak client privacy privilege, right? If see these photos, I'm not gonna tell a soul. Nobody's seeing these photos except me and you, bro. Hey, turn that light back on. Turn that light back on now. Hey, turn my lights back on. Gotta chill out, man. Gosh, okay, see here at Photo FS, we like to play pranks on each other all the time, man. We got such a great work environment.
Hey man, like I said, bro, don't tell anybody about this, okay?
No, I know, not a soul. Not a soul. I know. Not a soul, man. You know how they got attorney-client privilege? You got FS boss man privilege. This last one can't be much worse. Oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I do? Sir? Sir? Like I said, FS Photoshop client privilege. That's all you needed to say, man. That's all you needed to say. You have a great day. You have a great day. You have a great day. Gosh, I think that might be my favorite customer yet. How's it going, man?
Dear, I do not have any color photos. I do not have any color photos. Can you take a color photo of me? For sure.
Bang. Genius. It's gonna be full of color. What, you want 3 of them? Okay, 4x6. Okay. Oh my. Her daughter snuck in the photo. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm feeling very well. Did we turn out that bad? We? She knows about it.
She's gone.
Okay, I must be thinking, man. It's got to be like 6 days since I've had some water. Take a little sip, take a little food. I haven't eaten any food since I started the game, man. That's like why I'm tweaking out. 4x6, 1, 2, 3. Here you go, man. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, what did that say? I think I should close the shop and get some sleep. Okay. Close. Day 3. Back again. No alarm clock. Hello? What's up? Am I just up in the middle of the night? What's up? Where'd my bathroom go? They stole my bathroom, bro. I must have not paid any bills. Wait a minute. This isn't my Photoshop. Hey! Let me out! It's just a bad dream. It's just a bad dream. Who's that? The CIA. He doesn't know I'm watching him. He doesn't know I'm watching him. Who's he talking to? Write down below if you think he's talking to somebody cool. He's saying something. He said, Bro, I pressed escape right as it jump scared me. I thought my game crashed. Day 300. Really? I said we can't keep doing this. I must have been moving crazy in my sleep. She was having a show, entertainment show. Hey, whatever keeps the work environment positive. Am I right? There's nobody in the bed. You could. Okay. No. If you want to stay in there, stay in there. Go ahead. Open the shop. Oh my gosh! It's the guy. He said it to close. Oh, I see. What if I set it to open? Can't do it. Hey, sir. Sorry, I get nervous. When talking to people of high status. I'm here to pick up the photos from the film roll I gave you yesterday. Here you go. Are you just gonna take them and gonna pay me? Not bad. We can move on to the next stage. We installed special cameras around the shop. Check them from your computer during the shift. If you spot something abnormal, go there, photograph it, then transfer it to the PC and report it. No mistakes. We'll meet again soon. No money! Sir, next time you come in here, you might not walk out. That's all I gotta say. It's getting hot in here. Cameras? Wait a minute. Five Nights at Photos? Okay, so I'm invisible. Yeah, let's get an outside camera going. Yeah. How's it going, sir? I took some photos over the weekend and transferred them to a USB drive. Could I get one print of each? You got it, bro. USB drive? Do I have perms for this? Oh, okay, apparently so. See, what first normal dude to walk in the shop, man. He said one Alright, one of each. Okay. Easy, bro. I should probably buy some more paper while I'm at it. Hold on. Oh, wait, did I have leftover paper in here? No, I didn't. Okay, cool. Oh, we gotta take the trash out? Oh my gosh. Bro, when bro has to do tasks? Who's a jump scare in my freaking shoulder? Bang. Here you go, bro. Appreciate ya. Let's check the security cams. Make sure no one's gonna do this. No. Okay, everything's normal. Hey, man. I can buy frames. Now, what do I do? E-placement. Oh my gosh. Right there. Ah, okay, I can't give her a free one. Right there. Nice. Hey, man, what can I do for you?
I want a photo of the pose.
used to be on hospital walls. Like, you're gonna do like one of these? Okay. This pose. But why is that gonna be like tough? Wait, why is that gonna be tough? Is she gonna do it? Oh my gosh, that's crazy, bro. Dude, why is she tough? She's tough. Bro, she's tough with it, bro. That might be the favorite photo I ever took, bro. That might be the photo. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? That might be the photo. Frickin' print that photo. Go ahead, print it. Gosh, she's gonna give them out to like her 5 favorite coworkers. Frickin' talk, bro. Friggin' lady, bro. How much is that gonna be? Friggin' money. Here we go. It's about time I got some upgrades in the house, bro. Let's go. About time, bro. Place look. Hey. I met a girl online. She asked for a full body photo of me. I hope you can take it. Yeah. Lord have mercy. Full body photo? Full body photo? Hey, I have a feeling that the girl you're talking to, one of two things. Either she's gonna love it or she's gonna hate it. Girls be liking tall guys, bro. I can't. Hey, you want 3 of them? Alright, yeah, I can give you 3. I can give you 3. Okay, photos. Okay, come on. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Alright, oh my gosh. Gosh, what are the odds that I'm just not looking at the door right as he walks in? I wouldn't want to see that guy walking at night. Let's shut the camera. Let's see what's going on. They gave me the cameras for a reason. I think everything's looking... Hey. Hey. She keeps freaking disappearing. What's she doing there? Hey, no. 1 second, sir. Or ma'am, sorry. Okay. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I'm not happy, Bob. Not happy. Sorry, ma'am. I'm just having a little bit of difficulties with my staff.
Psst, handsome. Take a hot photo of me.
Okay, no. Chill out with that voice line. Come on.
I'm gonna let you take the photos for free if you keep talking to me like that. Come on.
No. You want 6 of them? Okay. Okay. 4x6. You want them in the biggest quality? Okay. Wait a minute. I think day by day this picture's becoming clearer and clearer and clearer. Minecraft, when you go from a 16x16 to a 32x32 to a 64x64 texture pack, man. Here you go, ma'am. Did she load me up? Did she load me up? Oh! I'm gonna take a wild guess where you just came from. Does it start with B and end with rooms? No, I know. I've been taking photos like that for years, bro. You don't even have to worry. No, he's like running. Stay in character. Stay in character, everybody. No, I know what to do with this. I know what to do with this. They did not, bro. No, you stay right there. You stay right there. Got that note on her. No photos. No photos. You stay right there. You stay right frickin' there. You stay right frickin' there. Okay. Can't look through walls. What is this? Bullcrap. No! You wanna get on the ladder? One more piece. Stop it. Bang! Come on! Stay in character. Crap, bro. Pitfalls. Did my ladder progress get saved? Oh my gosh, I have to do the whole thing again, bro. There it is. Come on now. Fart! There's $1 million this way. Bro started running. Bro ran immediately. Let's frickin' go. Bro used his head and figured the solution out. Character's gosh darn near defying gravity. Let's go. Take a picture. Was that not what I was supposed to do? Okay, wait, hold on. Frozen in time. Frozen in time. That one Spy Kids movie. Let's frickin' go, bro. Oh, wait, it pauses there. Pauses. Genius, genius, genius. It's an interesting backrooms entity. I've never seen this one. Wait a minute. How does it work? Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. I gotta figure out the right one. There it is. There it is. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh my gosh. It's like the Roblox game. This one? Nope. This one? Walk across. Nope. Darn it! Keep going across. Level 2, level 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Up 2, then right 1. Then straight! Up 2, then right 1. 2. I'm gonna draw an S. Bro, I might be the best GeoGuessr of all time. GeoGuessr, what bro playing? Oh my gosh. Straight. Darn it. I forgot. Holy crap! Don't you move an inch. Let's go. Genius. Back. I got photo evidence of that crap now. I should close up the shop and get some sleep. Sleep. Let's go, man. What a phenomenal play. What? This is like what freaking game mode is this? It's the FNAF game mode in FNAF 6. This is freaking crazy. What the frick is going on? Bro, I have goosebumps. What the frick is going on? There he is. Bro, that is freaking crazy, bro. Dude, I got goosebumps. What the frick? Turn off. That is crazy. That is crazy. What a game mode. That had me jiggling my body, man. When bro playing games make body jiggle? What in the world? This freaking guy, bro. Like I said, you might not walk out today. Be careful what your words say today. You can see my dad now. You didn't report enough anomalies yesterday. Don't let it happen again. I forgot. I'm sorry, okay? New photos came in. Print them like last time. I'll be back tomorrow to collect them. How about you stick the photos? Your daily quotas increase, so don't forget to check the cameras often. Frick off, bro! I'll turn you into a memory in Texas, bro. Here we go with this bullcrap. Yeah, check the cameras, bro. Check the cameras while I'm doing my job. Yeah, check the cameras. How do I report an anomaly? Oh. Night vision mode? Hey. 1 second, sir. I'll be right with you. I gotta do the bullcrap of the photos for the mask guy. I can't see his face. Now, let's see what we got. Oh. Yeah. No, yeah. When your friend starts taking evil pictures. Okay. No, I think that's my favorite one. What if I throw him away? Against that freaking guy? Hold on, wait, does the blinking light mean anomaly? Let's see. Alright, bro, whatever the frick is going on in here. How do I report the anomaly? Cam red. Oh! Wait a minute, take a picture of it. There we go. Gosh, when my brain is starting to work and stuff. Gosh, what a phenomenal thing that is. Okay, I've had this dude waiting at this desk for like 40 hours real time. Sorry. But man, take a charismatic photo of me and let our reputation grow. Hey, whatever you say, bro. Whatever you say, bro. But you're the customer. It's my wish. It's my wish to take a photo of you. All right. Let our reputation grow, or whatever he said, bro. What? Alright, bro, whatever you say, bro. Wait a minute. I gave him the picture of the horse. He's gonna open it like, when he gets home. He's gonna be like, what the frick is this? Play this bullcrap security game. He's like, spot the anomalies, bro. I should punch you in your throat, bro. I should punch you so hard you freaking start seeing things. Oh, what is that over there? Is it my man? What's up, man? I never had a photo taken before. I'm curious. This will be my first. Hey, bro. It's 2026, bro. I'd be surprised. You're probably lying. Okay, based on those shorts, he's probably telling the truth. Now, does he want landscape? No, portrait. What is that noise? Is that anomaly noise? Oh, it is. Wow. Okay. That's what the blink. Oh my gosh, the blinking lights. They stole that from the other games. Wait. Wait, where's that at? Did I get it? I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. It didn't give me a notification though. All right, I'm gonna give you the photo, dude. All right, man. All right. Oh, I did capture it. Okay. Print. What do you want? 8 of them? You think I'm made of paper? What the frick? I ought to give you a concussion for free. Come on, bro. Suck it up on my paper. Suck it up on my envelopes. Frick this guy. I need to order more envelopes because it's dingus. Sucking up all my utilities. Gosh, man. 8 of them? You better be loading me up crazy style. What'd I spend? Okay, 40. Bro, that's crazy. I think he just gave me like $20. That's crazy. No, continue the game, please. What's up? All right, let's see. Yeah, I knew it. I knew they were gonna give me an anomaly. Where's it at? Where's it at? I'll be with you 1 second, sir. Andy. Mr. Evil walked in my shop. I worked with your father before. I hope you're as good as he was. I need some document prints. Can you print them from these USB? It's like how people are like dying and stuff. Yeah, sure, I got you, bro. The SpaceX stream is starting up in a couple seconds, guys. Just wait. Man, come on, man. Only OG viewers remember. MicroStrategy, yes, bro. Brings me back. What want me to do? Turn on the power? Yeah, frick this guy. I really hate when the game makes you go outside. That frickin' sucks. Wait, what is that photo? Men in Black. They erased his memory. What did he know? What did he know? Perfect. You're the perfect person to show this. You're the perfect person to show this to. This neighborhood safety is my job. How are things going? I don't feel safe, dude. Glad to hear there's no trouble. I need a photo taken of the new police posters. They're for the new police. All right, bro. Watch. He's gonna get on the stool. He's gonna do some straight bull crap, bro. He's gonna do some straight bull crap. Or not. Or not, bro. He's keeping it freaking classy. He's walking around like a big hunk of a guy. Bro ate a burrito right before this. How many does he want for the posters? 4? Okay, that's normal. That's normal. I would have beat the crap out of this guy if he said anything more than like 5. Another anomaly. Another anomaly. Where's it at? Dude, freaking pooping on my toilet on the computer. Nah. Give it back right now. You just wait 1 second, officer. Somebody's doing something. Dad? Hey, can't you see the doors closed? Wait, what? I thought this was a public restroom. Anyway, I'm done already, thanks. Dude, watch dude big fat old poop come out of his freaking butt. Swallowing up. Yo! He actually dropped a freaking big old deuce! Dude, this is like this is a premium load. No way. I can't look at that, bro. Officer, there has been a crime committed in that bathroom. Officer. Give me that stinking camera. I'm catching you this time. Can't have the glasses man come back and erase my memory. Wiener. Did I catch it? Did I catch it? No, the light's still blinking. Did I catch it though? I did. There another anomaly? There's the anomaly in that bathroom. I'll tell you that, bro. All right, gosh, I got all these stinking photos. I got evil photo. I got like an evil photo of the deuce in the freaking toilet. We got freaking Mr. Tough right here. 4 of them? Yeah, sorry, sir. Sorry it took so long. He's waiting over there like, okay, let's get to the show, bro. Been waiting here for a minute. Here you go. If you need anything, I'll be on duty at the corner all night. Step out and call for me. I'll remember that, bro. I'll remember that. I forgot about this. I need to frame this so we can see it. Sorry, guy. I gotta do this for now. See if there's anomalies. See if there's anomalies. What the frick is that? Something in my washer. 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. There's something in my washing room. Something in my washer, bro. I like how they include that mechanic from the other games where you usually have to take a picture to capture the anomalies. That's crazy. Mismo! What the frick is Eddie's cat doing in the game? What the fart? Report. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Good frickin' eyes, man. I just didn't even see that Yikes, man. You guys are probably yelling at the screen. What's this? Don't send me pointless... Alright. Oh gosh. I just said evil background, bro. Evil background. Okay, send that one. Anomaly reported. What is he gonna say back? Is he like, oh, that's crazy. Good catch. This evidence will do. Report. I didn't even know that was an option. I thought he was gonna come in and like collect it. And then I got this one from the beginning. But that's like a pinata. That's not even bad. Good, this evidence will do. I gotta do 4 of them? No, let's see, let's see. I have a feeling this one's gonna be pointless, but at the same time I don't. It's gonna be pointless, isn't it? Ooh, no, that works. Okay, I'll take it, I'll take it. Sorry for the wait, sir. What can I do for you? Hi, I took some photos for a house I'm selling. Could I get the prints of them? Yes, sir. Oh, nah. No, I'm moving. No, yeah, bro, I'm moving in next week.
You saying like the house is like ugly like that?
This, no, the house. No, I was joking. The house is beautiful, sir. The house is beautiful, sir. No, it's a beautiful house. Beautiful house. The client, your tenant, the lover, pooped straight from a butt. Bro found an abandoned. Maybe he's a explorer, what they call it. Maybe he's like LARPing as a realtor. All right, check for anomalies. Check for anomalies. Call for help. Call for help. Call for help. No, yeah. Hey! Hey, no! Somebody's breaking in right now! Somebody's breaking in right now! That should work, that should work. Get him! Get him! They get... Hey! Hey, we saw someone running in the back alley. I think he bolted when he saw us. You seem safe for now. Still, don't forget to lock your door. Alright, yeah, no, yeah, don't chase him. Don't chase him. Yeah, don't chase him. I should close the shop and get some sleep. Good idea, bro. Oh my. Gosh, what a day. What a day. What an eventful day. Good and bad, good and bad. I didn't find 4 anomalies. This is so bad. Oh, here we go with this freaking dream crap again, bro. I wonder what was my dad doing? I need a screwdriver. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, I love how interactive this game is. This is so dope. What was that noise? Somebody crawling in the vents? Hello? What is he doing with my dad? Wait a minute, I can see his face. I can see his face. Who is that? What is that? The memory eraser. Gone. Oh, good move, good move. Didn't get me, let's go. Oh. Oh! Oh! No emotion on his face. Light work, no reaction. Fooled. Day 500. Dude, come in there, collect these photos, and go beat my freaking butt, because I only got 3 out of the 4 anomalies. I'm gonna beat him up. He's never walking out of here ever again. Photos clear as day now. I can see my dad. I'm like remembering now because my memories come back, I think. I don't know, I may be insisting. He's coming in, yeah, he's coming in. Ah, I saw your face, buddy. I saw your face. I know what you look like, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I did. I'm here to pick up the photos from the film roll I gave you yesterday. Yeah, no. I'm gonna start eating them in front of him. Frickin' guy. Frickin' loser. Bet you go home to a happy wife every night, yeah? No, I'm joking. Here you go. Great. You're even better at this than your father. Either way, today's your last chance. I want you to fill your anomaly quota. If you succeed today, you'll be rewarded. Yeah, better bring a nice ice cold pop in this frickin' place, bro. Just punch him in his frickin' backside, bro. Just go crashing through that glass door. I just can't wait for it, bro. I can't wait for it. What's Joe Bart doing in the store, bro? We got Joe Bartolozzi in my store, bro.
You've got what you need. Let's get this done.
All right, bro. All right, Joe. Sit down and take a gander at the camera. Oh my gosh. No, comment down below if you knew Joe could do this. Got the perfect shot. I was waiting for you to hit that crazy move. Anomaly. Hold on, Joe. Actually, I'm gonna check him out because it's like world's loudest music ever. There you go, sir. Okay, let's check for anomalies. Check for anomalies. Yep, I hear it. Wait, what? No anomalies. What the frick's going on? This game's full. Genius. Report it. How many I gotta get today? 4. Nice. Good, this will do. Alright. Sup, dude? I took photos of my pet. Could I get a large print of each one? Yeah, you totally can. No! You're lying! You're pulling my leg, bro. No way! What, you own the whole ocean?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. I stand infected. My pet, my friggin' money, man. 164 bucks. I'm loaded up on it today. So, dude. Hey, my guy. People see you're really good at this. Prove it. Get in that room. I'll show you what I'll get in that room. I'll show you what I'm made of. Sit down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Shotgun mode. Watch. He's thinking right now. He's gonna lowball me. 8 of them? What's with the Hey. Whoa. No glasses, eh? Reported. Think you can slip by my system? Yeah. Think again, little boy. Watch. He's gonna give me props in that bottom right corner. Watch. Oh. It's word. Nope, another anomaly. I can't believe it. They were right. You're amazing. Wait a second. I thought you worked alone. No, the mannequin. No. I got Jenna. Who's that behind you? Hey! Sneaky, bro. He's stuck for the sneaky, bro. He's stuck for with no freaking money, man. I beat the crap out of this guy, bro. Nah, he really fooled me. I fell for the oldest trick in the book. And we got this freaking dude in the back, bro. Like, what is he even doing, bro? Staring through the fence? Like, what's going on back here, man? Freaking loser, bro. Can't stand this guy. Where's he at? Right there? Oh, I guess when you have a camera starts a car? 1 second, ma'am. I don't think this is gonna be an anomaly though, because it's just a normal dude. We'll see. Well, I'll be tarnished. How's it going, ma'am?
I tried plugging this into my computer, but I couldn't see the photos inside. Can you fix it?
This isn't a Best Buy. Oh. Man, no. You know what? I'll take care of it. You just count down from 2 minutes. Just count down from 2 minutes. I got you. Somebody open up my door. Here you go, ma'am. Okay. Hi, ma'am.
Do you believe in fate, Neil? I need a photo I can immortalize.
I can't do that immortal part, but I can do the photo part. What you gotta take a poop or something, bro? The bathroom's like right back there, bro. She walking like a zombie. Ma'am, I will immortalize you for 150 bucks. Oh! What the frick? Anomaly, report that sucker. If he doesn't say this is anomaly, I'm gonna delete my channel. I'm gonna delete my channel. Game over, guys. You can't be serious. No, don't report. I'll immortalize you, ma'am. You don't have to worry about it. Oh, she's shapeshifted. Okay, what's going on? Okay, what's going on? Am I seeing things? I could have swore she looked different. Just for you. She got... What? The death card. It represents the end of something, the beginning of something else. Bro gave me trading cards as payment? I'm gonna beat the crap out of this grandma, bro. Get back here. I should close the shop and get some sleep. I could just not find the fourth anomaly. I just can't do it. Alright, hey. He can be mad about not finding the fourth anomaly. What are they gonna do? Wipe my memory? Come on. Gosh, bro, I'm gonna pulverize this guy. Turn this guy into a nice tomato salad. We expected better from you, and I expected better from you. You know what? How about you come behind this counter? Let's make this. No, let's make it happen. You're a disappointment to everyone. No, you're a disappointment to everyone too. You probably took that job because you're a disappointment to your mom. She wanted you to do your homework in the second grade. You couldn't even freaking do it because you're too freaking stupid. Your father was the same. No, go over here. I'll rip you in half. I'll tear you into pieces. Your father was good at his job, but he was an idiot. But he was an idiot who put his family first. That's why we had to cut ties with him. Idiot who put his family first. I don't know if that adds up. Bro, think 2 + 2 = 3. But he knew too much. So he did what had to be done, and his repeated mistakes led him to his own end. He's acting like my dad chose that path of life. He runs a photo store. And now you're walking down the same path. I hope you don't make the same mistakes next time. Until we meet again. Where am I? What is this room? Let's go. What is this? Where's my sound at, bro? Now, fellas, a recent favorite series of mine on this channel has been one under the name of White Knuckle. And if you haven't seen the previous, I think, 3 videos it is, I heavily recommend you watch it before going to this video because, well, today, fellas, today is the finale. Howdy, fellas, my name is Searfest. Welcome back to White Knuckle. Now, if you had seen the most recent video on this game, I passed the Abyss and I got to something called the Nest. But when I reached the Nest, the screen went black and I wasn't able to see anything. Now, after I ended that recording, I said, oh, shoot, that means there's an update coming soon. I didn't know it was this soon. So let's not waste any more time. Let's conquer the Nest. And clearly, before I start, yes, I'll be making another Ultra Kill video. I cannot thank you guys enough for the kind reception on that video. Yes, I saw y'all's comments about learning how to parry. I will do that. But I just want to say thank you guys. I was like, that was kind of a video for me. I was unsure how it was going to do for you guys and all that. But so where I stepped out of this, and I'm just so thankful for the reception on that video. I will be coming out with another part soon. Probably a pretty long part. So if you enjoyed in the first episode, you'll probably enjoy the second episode. That's coming ASAP. But let's get to the game. Now, I may be a little bit rusty. You know what? Frick that. Hold on. Go buy cosmetics real quick. Let me get a little nice. See, I didn't even know I got these. They're stinking tough, bro. All right, we're hashtag, so let's get back at it. Do I have to play the entire game again to get to the end again? Don't tell me, bro. I have to beat the whole game again? Oh my. All right, I did a little playing off camera. I'm like virtually the best ever to ever touch this game, right? Okay, goodness. Why are my hands shaking? What the frick am I playing right now? No. Oh, I'd like, oh. Okay. Yeah, frick, I'm not doing the hunger beat. I was about to be like, yo.
What is that, bro?
All right, nothing crazy. Let me just beat the whole game real quick. Yeah, let me just get back to the Abyss area. It's the hands. All right, no, it's not even bad. I'll just beat 3 videos worth of a game just immediately. It's like you know what, like honestly, like if I ever get to talk to the developer, I did not want a load chapter button so I can press the Abyss and then get to the Nest. Like I didn't want that. I didn't want it, and because I truly did want to play the whole game again. Like the game is just so much fun. There's just legitimately, this game is just that good. I just want to play the whole thing again. Let's see, I'm gonna skip through most. This won't be bad at all, because legitimately I would like play this game for fun while like in VC with my boys, so I'm like really good and stuff now, so it's like chill. What the frick is that doing here? Alright, now this is going to be incredibly easy. If I end up getting, oh gosh, what was the frickin' thing I ended up getting? Was it like low gravity? I forgot the perk it was called when I got to the plate. Let me just, hold on, let me just like not die real quick. He's just sucking on me. Frick out, lad. I totally forgot the name of that perk, but it was like I could jump super far and stuff. Oh, it was so good. I just remember it was so frickin' good. Oh, I will say like the Oh my gosh, that's what's called freaking rabbit DNA, bro. If I get rabbit DNA, it's nothing. Y'all will literally blink. IRL time. Mark my words. Y'all will blink and I'll be at that last level, bro. All right, so I got like 3 chances to get rabbit DNA. I just need to get it once. Okay, so it's a dud on the first one. Not good. Okay. Pray for the reroll. Okay, this one's like pretty good. So off camera, I will play the endless modes, right? Where you can start like stacking upgrades. It's so much freaking fun. And that one, the ligament restructure, oh boy. Like, look at this. I'm just like hitting my, ow. I'm like hitting my head into the ceiling every time I stink and jump. That one's good. If I do that paired with the rabbit DNA, it'll be like, all right, now my main goal is I just can't die right here because I'll just like, yeah, okay, gosh, crazy to me how I was just like how bad I was when I first like went to the pipeworks. Hold on. Yo! Oh! What is that, bro? Scared the crap out of me. Oh, he's bumping me. Hold on, that's like little. Just a little bit close. I'll say it's crazy how bad I was when I Yo! What? It's just like spawned in. It's crazy how bad I was when I first frickin' started. It's crazy how easy this game like became after just like a little bit of practice. What? Yo, what's going on? But then again, I did see like YouTube videos. You can get so gosh darn good at this. Bro, people have beat this main campaign in like 5 minutes. I don't know if that's with like planned upgrades or not. I don't even think it is. It's like you get lucky too. Frickin' wicked, bro. See, I'm on pace, I think, for 4 minutes right now, so I'm like doing pretty good. Alright, here's our second chance to get that rabbit DNA. Also, I should probably make... Oh, I forgot. Like, I need to make, like, save points and crap. I'd much rather get rabbit DNA, though. Please, please, please. Gosh, that sucks.
Employee daycare is assumed to be a periphery instance and will be shot on site.
Yo, what did she just say? Bro, that's crazy. I never did she even say that voice line the first time? What are they talking about? Sweet, okay, I'm already back here. Okay, good freaking gracious, bro. All right, I'll take it. Now, okay, which artifact do I get? A sword? Oh, and then that's like the little create your own handhold. What the frick is this? Please tell me this provides me a like movement advantage. Okay, all right, I can deal with that. I can deal with that. This is the final chance to get the rabbit DNA. If I get the rabbit DNA, oh, sorry everybody. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, all right. Let's load up the disc, get a little save. Magical backup. Oh, please. Please, I just need that rabbit DNA. Rabbit DNA is all I need. Come on, bruv. All right. Lock in your answers. Lock in your answers. Wait. Wait, no upgrade station? Hey. Wait, let me just get this one instead. I'm a freaking idiot. So wait, there's no upgrade station here. Wait, was there one last time? I don't know. I think it's just the save. Dang, I was looking forward to that rabbit DNA. Okay, hold on. Let's understand how this little guy works real quick. So is it a dash forward? No. Is it when I move? No. What does it do? That's the weakest thing ever. I moved forward an inch. No. Certainly not. Hold on, bro. Let me get a little testy. Bro, this thing straight up sucks wiener. Bro, come on, bro. I would have taken the spear over this, bro. The one you want to get, oh, there's one you could get. It's the glove. Bro, so when I was doing my little endless runs, right? You wear this glove, bro. It's like MJ, bro. MJ glove. You like go, and it makes your junk like low gravity, like 50% gravity for like 90 seconds. It's freaking wicked. Bro, I surely have to be using this wrong. Bro, I might look up the wiki to see how this thing uses. Bro, this thing is a sack of horse manure, bro. I'm not gonna let the run end because I didn't know what I was doing. I'm pulling up the gosh darn wiki. The developer was like, yeah, let's add like a sword in the game.
This guy is 16.
What What have that video pulled up?
White knuckle artifacts.
This thing's called the Rapier? Wait a stinking minute! I knew I was using it wrong! Oh! Proper man, proper technique. So I just need to hit a little like... Okay, don't do that. Alright, that's the method. That's how I'm gonna get around. Let's go, baby, come on! Been recording for 43 minutes. This is what dreams are made of. Now, it's kind of a little bit unfortunate because I don't have it like with the other ones. I can like, the fact that I have a big jump also helps, but this one it doesn't really. Okay, wait, let's test it out. Let's test it out. Does that work midair? Oh, it does. Oh, genius. Yeah, it runs over. But it's like not that much. But I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, yeah, wait, it's kind of nice. Wait. It's kind of nice. I kind of like it. Oh, I just aim it up and I just glide for eternity. Oh, I can do it multiple times. Yep. Oh, yep. Big ups on the man, them. Big. Oh, let's go, bro. This is a great addition. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay, I got it. All right, note taken. Do not do it when you're close to a object. You're gonna like bounce back. Gosh. All right, you know what they say when they try to teach somebody something new, it takes a minute because there's something called learning. Oh my gosh, and I lost all my little busters. Fart, man. Yeah, the rappel is kind of nice. The rappel's kind of swaggy. Sometimes I'll wear jeans, but they usually aren't baggy. There's probably somebody out there watching my video right now. What's up, Maggie? Oh my gosh, okay, it's like kind of weak. Oh, it's on like cooldown mode. Okay, oh, don't do that, bro, don't do that. All right, I'll put you back for a second, little buddy. Rest up. All right, are you awake and ready for me? Yes. Okay, so I just gotta use it. What the frick is this? I don't remember seeing pipe works in the abyss. All right, when does man start chasing me? Oh, there he is. Okay, started staring me down. All right, see, the key to the abyss is just to have height. If you have height, you can fall and land somewhere. Top 10 strats ever discovered, bro. Bro, it's crazy how I'm kind of just like running through this now. Like my first time playing this, I was scared as a mouse up in the house, bro. I did not want to fall. I don't now, but like I'm way less scared. Yo! All right, okay, I gotta like time it a little bit better. Oh, what is this change they made? You gotta like climb a ladder now? Frick, no. Alright, let's put it away. All right, I'll take that. Whoa! Let's go. All right, this is where it gets dicey. This is where the game's either gonna frick you or have fun times. Woo! Jump on that one. Run. What the frick? This is new. Alright, here we go. Escape, little one. Here we are, the nest. Alright, here's where the video really starts, everybody. Alright, door's closed. Okay. Gosh, it's no coincidence that I have to get pee really bad right now. Oh, gosh, I'm very surprised I was able to do that. Let's get some freaking applause. Woo! Did that casually, man. Come on. All right, what do we got here? Please tell me it's a plead for your help. What? What's going on? Oh. Bah. All right, let's crank this sucker open. Is it locked? Don't come down on me now. All right, cool. When the place has a save zone and an upgrade zone. All right, this is where we're getting rabbit DNA. 2x, cost 8. You already got that in the bank. Let's go, put that in there. Create a save real quick. Upgrades. Oh! freaking go, man. That's what I'm talking about. Peak stuff, bro. Let's go, boy. All right. Where are we going? What are we doing? How's everybody doing? All right, we're good. Open it up. Elevator. Oh, no, you didn't. Inventory upgrade pouch. Adds a pouch to your inventory where you can stack up to 5 of the same... I have to contain it right now, everybody. I have to contain it. Yeah! Okay, don't waste the ammo, Max. Don't waste the ammo. Okay, what do I gotta do? What do I gotta get? Let me shoot the coils. Yeah. They gave me a frickin' gun. Oh my gosh, here's where it gets good. Where do we gotta go?
Failsafe. Offline. Eraser. Failsafe. Offline.
Failsafe.
Exotic weapons. Offline. Conventional
Don't touch that.
weapons. Offline.
I'm scared to touch these new things because they hurt. What the frick is that, bro? That was extremely lucky. All right, bro. I'm actually just gonna. It's just wraps. Oh! Why? Thank you. Thank you so much. So, okay. If I hit the little flower, it creates a little path. Bro, stinking W edition, bro. Let's go. Press it. It's getting so serious now. Oh, I don't need. Ah, shoot. I forgot the light bulb. Sorry, guys. You can't see. Not much time. The consumer is here.
The consumer?
That is the coolest mechanic ever, bro. And I can just ride it. Oh, I can just ride it. All right, not much time, though. I do gotta be quick. I'm not gonna just be sitting around doing jack all. Hold on. Fart. Okay. That just doesn't work. That is the sorriest death in all of White Knuckle, bro. Oh my gosh. I forgot I have rabbit DNA. Oh my gosh, I'm such an idiot. I keep forgetting I have rabbit DNA, Max. You have rabbit DNA. Come on. We're just gonna ride him up. Let's just ride him up. Where you going, bro? Oh shoot, hold on. Come to me, quickly. Hold on, I have like little guys that want to say hi to me. One second, hold on, little man wants to say hi. Say hi to me quickly? Hi. What's supposed to be literal? Okay, we're up. Alright, we're back in the vents. I didn't think we'd be back in here. Let me turn like the brightness up. Where am I going? I just can't see anything. That's my bad, you guys. I should have grabbed that flashlight. It comes to release me. Oh shoot, that's a dude. And he has exactly what I need. Alright, we gotta open this big old door. Hold on. Yo. Release me and packed. What the frick is that? Don't get close. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to be talking in a crazy voice the whole time. Release me. Okay. Alright, let's do it then. Must hurry. How much? Go quick. Oh, they walk now. Oh my gosh. Where are these taking me? Are these taking me the other ones? Thank you, bro. Let's go quick. Go quick. Let's go. Come on. Bang. Freedom. So that thing's just loose now? Alright, you're gonna spare me, right? Yo. What's happening? Where's it taking me? Oh. Am I good now? Dude, it's like something was dragging me, bro. I don't remember the hand? The hand incident. Ah! What is going on? I don't want to die. Why? I think that's my last... Bro, it's just dragging me down. I can't move. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, when bro wants to have a conversation, protection offered. Thank you. Thank you.
Protection offered.
Thank you.
I can hold it at bay for now.
Thank you.
The Eater of Worlds.
I met that guy.
Must kill it.
Yup. You're on the right track with that one. Yup.
Climb, child. Time slipping.
Don't have to tell me twice where we're going. Alright, do I just go up? Let's go up. Let's go up. I'm the biggest idiot known to man, bro. What the frick am I doing? Question is, where do I gotta climb to? Where do I gotta go? Is there like an entrance somewhere? The whole game's about like going up. I'm assuming it's up there, right? Yup, there we go. Where do I gotta go? Is it like down? Am I supposed to go back? Wait, no, wait, was this not the way I came? Solo dudes. Oh, this is where I'm supposed to go. Okay. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Here we go. Back in it. Back in it. Hold on. Nest. Infested labs. Oh, boy. The music. The music. Okay, wait. This is frickin' sick. This is sick. Okay, nice. Oh, this is so dope. Oh my gosh, huge props to the devs. Huge props to the devs. This is phenomenal. I'm like making all this like spit in my mouth. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Oh, what the frick is that? Come down, little buddies. Come down, little buddies. Yup. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, get out. Oh my gosh, get out. I didn't know that it did that. Oh, I got a gun. I just totally forgot. Yeah. Alright, white knuckle to FPS. Okay, now this is really like an action climber now. Now I gotta like focus on climbing while like shooting all these dudes. Like, oh yeah, it's like no, pro. Hold up. Sorry if I like don't commentate. I'm like hashtag focused. Hold on, but it's like hashtag easy. Oh boy. Hold on. Gotta collect all little Joshes. Sorry, Josh. Bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's probably just safer to just kill him as soon as I can. Please tell me I don't gotta like do this whole frickin'... Oh, I really don't want to do this whole thing again. Alright, well I know what I'm getting myself into this time. Now, can I like out-climb these little guys? They're not that quick. Yeah, they're not that... Oh, but they just keep coming, bro. Hold on, you forgot... Y'all forgot I must play an Ultra Kill last video. Okay, yeah, this is the method. Yeah, and then they got ammo. Oh, they do got ammo for me. Genius. Genius. Let's frickin' go. Oh yeah, these have explosives. I don't think I ever encountered one of these in my playthrough. Alright, I just need to find something to explode to show you how this works. Hold on. Bring out the funny monies. Gosh, that's such a cool mechanic. Sorry. Where does that one take me? We're gonna find out. Let's go. Gosh, such a cool... I love that it just keeps on adding stuff. I just couldn't think they add, but they add it, and then now it's like fun and stuff. Oh, this is freaking sick, man. Yo, what the frick was that, bro? It had like a 8-bit mouth. Let me steal y'all's let me steal the mags real quick. Okay, now I'm assuming this is just the sweet and like I'm assuming this is like the cupcake and muffins part.
Even protection, slippery beast. Be alert.
Whoa, what? Oh yeah, dude, I predicted it. Climb, little one. Escape. Let's go. Let's go. I don't want to know what's coming my way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Freaking sick. Freaking sick. Alright. Oh my gosh, there's homie trying to break down the door. Broski! Oh, those are like little guys that attach onto me like leeches. I see. Alright, he's still trying to break the door. Alright, come on. Let's go. Gosh darn it, of course, bro. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Oh, it's sick, man. This is sick. All right. Oh, I forgot, like, the drill guy. Okay, shoot. Store that. Let's go. I'm hyped. Come on, I can do this. I got, like, 1 life before I think I teleport back. So, I gotta use this wisely. Is that not the Half-Life logo? The Half-Life logo? Yeah, blow that up. Blow it up. Genius. What the frick was that, bro? It's like moving fast as a fork. I'm going, bro. I'm out, bro. You're never gonna see my face ever again. Yeah, close it. Okay. Let's go. Like I said, yo boys must forgot I played Ultra Kill, boy. Oh, this is just the freaking best environment ever. Oh, I just can't get up there though. Yeah. Yup. Beat me up. Yeah. I gotta say this thing comes in handy. It'll come in handy. Trust. This is sick. All right, let's do this right now. What's up, buddy? Bye, buddy. You boys, what's up? Okay, that's fine. Oh, lever. Genius. Come on. Gosh, this is like level 1, but the stakes are like 1,000,000 times higher. Oh, that's crazy. Gotta hit 2 of them. Okay, a little double shot. All right. I'm with it, Brev. How much more of this I gotta do, bro? This is like 2 of what the first worlds are. Oh, crap. That's not good at all. Bro. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Yes, close the door. Nice. Come on, boy. I was freaking made for this, y'all. One try, Terry. My name's... I'm in very close vicinity to the man right there.
Emergency. Pseudo-neurons entering a highly active state. The 2 clouds of solar toxicity.
What is she saying? I entered a state?
This system is
What is she talking about? I can't understand. It said I am I? Oh! What the frick is that, bro? Okay, this is just hashtag ridiculous, bro. This is hashtag ridiculous. I don't want to do this. Bro, ew, dude, ew. Okay, alright, my gosh, like, freaking overload, bro. Okay, let's use these, let's kill the guys. Because I don't want to deal with them right now. Good with that. Alright, now I can climb them. Sweet. Alright. All you gotta do is not panic. All you gotta... Oh, I just can't grab there. Alright, I gotta remember... Oh. Okay, just don't panic. Just don't panic. Alright, that's fine. I didn't want it anyway. Wall. Thank goodness I can grab that. Oh my gosh. Alright, come on. Let's go! Big freaking thinking, bro! Alright, where am I going? Rabbit DNA! Hashtag. Get farted on. I'll take it. Let's go. It's raining! Raining? Why is it raining? That means there's sky. There's a sky. I'm just ascending and I don't know how. I'm just going up and I don't know why. Frickin' go, man. Hashtag problem solver in the house, bro. Let's go. Almost 5k meters. Alright, stinky zone. We're in the stinky zone. Beware. Hold on. Friends are here. Almost fell through. Frick off, bro. Let's go. Not good at all. I don't know what the frick that is, bro. Bad time to do that. Okay. Gosh, I just like can't even look around and enjoy it. I just gotta... Let's go. Holy crap, no way I just did that.
Purge of meta-computational binding fluid.
Go!
Successful.
What would...
It is now in full control of this system.
Oh crap, dude.
Identified human. Warning. We, I, they, it, he, she, stars.
Is my games... That's it! Let's go, bro! 5,300,604, baby. And I beat like the whole game like again. Wow. That's it. What a way to end it. I thought it was gonna be some grand opening. Okay, be quite honest. You know what I thought I was gonna do? I was gonna get to the top of the nest, and there's gonna be a little button that glows red that says, "Kill everybody. Big world's largest nuke." Why am I getting score-mogged right now? Let's go, man. That's not the end. Touche. That's not the end. There was the nest and now there's the core. Okay, what cosmetic did I get? Did I get like a hashtag stinking cool one? Ew! Oh! No, I gotta give these a test run. This is the coolest cosmetic in any game ever. Bro, that's freaking sick! That's so cool. I gotta use it right now. Oh! Bro, look at these! Nah, these are sick. Oh my gosh, I just found it. Oh my gosh, the deep sea blue on some Subnautica movement, bro. Come on, bro. Oh. These are the coolest freaking thing ever, bro. Sorry, Jacob, I'm stealing your blue right now. These are freaking sick. Ready, I'm gonna snipe him. Alrighty, y'all. Well, that will conclude my playthrough. Conclude? Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all. That is another addition onto my White Knuckle series. I hope you guys enjoyed the nest. I'm thoroughly surprised. One, New freaking level comes soon. Number 2, that just whole level was amazing. You got the shoot for the Vibe case. I just can't wait to see what's gonna be added. It's gonna be so freaking dope. Plus this cosmetic, no, actually, like, I'm not even kidding you. This might be one of the greatest, like, cosmetic items of all time. This is just the coolest thing of all time. All right, now I'll let you go ahead, copy the settings. I already know. I got the best one out there. I don't know. And then you can just like make it whatever color you want. Oh, like the red was okay. The red was crazy. The red is freaking nuts. See, but then I see the red's cool, but then you can't tell when you can't tell. Oh, maybe it gets like darker as like your stamina goes out. Yeah, I think that's what that is. The red's kind of cool. I might rock the red. I don't know. But I do hope you guys enjoyed that episode. That went by pretty fast. And I just want to take a second to thank you guys for all the support on the Ultra Kill video. Now, to be honest with you guys, I didn't think that video was gonna do that well. I know there's a huge fan base behind Ultra Kill, but for stepping so far out of like my nest like that, it's just I'm so thankful for. I'm so thankful for you guys. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed that because I really do want to play more of that game. So you guys will be seeing more Ultra Kill. But seriously, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'll probably be playing Ultra Kill. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. So it's just behind you to slow him down. So you can reach. I'm glitched! I'm glitched! Ah!
Oh God! Oh, shit!
Hello everybody, my name is Thriftfest. Welcome to The Well Is Not Empty. As I was scrolling, as I normally do from time to time, I saw a little teaser trailer for this game. This game has such an interesting premise, bro. You get a spoon and you have to dig, and I think it's like if you don't dig, or like if you have a light or something, this little guy starts freaking chasing you, bro. This game just looked fun, bro. Let's press play. Adjust brightness until you can realize what happens at the end of the day.
What?
You can no longer see the back wall and barely see the friendly man in the corner. Oh! Dude, he looks like a piece of cardboard. Me personally, I'm turning this sucker up, bro. I'm tired of games being too dark where you just can't see absolutely anything. I'm turning this guy up. The village well has gone dry. We have about 3 days of water left. You have been elected by the village to fix it. To enter the well, press E. Okay, and E for enter, bro. I entered it. Oh, and I just decided to fall? Oh! I'm good though, I get up. Let's go, get up, get up. Big man timing, bro. Big man timing. Shoot, bruv. This must be like my brother or something, bro. Yo! Gosh, he missed the lake, bro. Water bucket clutch fail, bro. Wait, no, he got the water bucket clutch. He's still dead. I guess I'm just built different, man. To open your inventory, press tab. Items. Nothing. Notes. Nothing. Can I write in my notes? No. What is this right here? Oh my gosh, here we go, bro. You picked up a perfectly clean spoon.
Hello? Is someone there?
Hi, bro. Wait, he's like actually coughing in the game. Do I need to do voice lines? Oh, no, okay.
Where the frick did you come from? I need you to help me. I can get us both out of here. Listen to me. The key to open this gate is somewhere inside this facility. You need to find it.
I would have never guessed.
Look for a way out of this room and get to the foreman's office. He should be waiting there with his key. Please be careful. We're not alone in this place.
Yeah, bro, I'm in here. It's like me and you, bro.
What's up, man?
All right. It's locked. I need to find a key. When your boy picks up a spoon, but it's not a key. Wait a stinking minute. Wait a stinking minute. Equip. Here we go. Get the digging, boy. Get the digging. How do I get through? How do I get through? There we go. That's how. Who's like banging around in here? There's like a big guy in here, bro. I need a flashlight. Yo. That little guy is fast, bro. What's with the fast enemies recently, bro? First, like all T-Jog characters? Oh my gosh, bro. Tiny Ricky, man. Rest in peace, man. What the frick am I doing? Pick it up. Hello, 3FS. I love you. Okay. There are no words to express what I just saw. Literally, bro. Read in my mind. Rip the words right out of my head. They're all gone. Rip to shreds. And they have 5 more days down here, and I would go home. To whoever read this, Seymour?
Who names a dog Seymour?
I'm gonna give him a sick name.
My dog Spalding is waiting for me.
What's up, man?
Please make sure he's okay. I left some treats in my locker. Give some to him.
All right, bro, you got it, bro. As soon as he's talking about a dog, bro, I got you, bro.
I can hear someone approaching.
Axel. Rest in peace, Axel. Oh, wait, it's not Tiny Ricky, it's Axel. Axel, bro, long time no see, bro.
Dude,
Is he gleeking? What is he doing over there, bro? Getting all freaky? You can find notes you picked up. I would have never guessed. No, this is Ricky. This is Tiny Ricky. Ew! Ew! Get away from Rick. Turn into a memory over here, bro. They call me the memory maker. Ooh. Okay, chill out, Max. Chill out, Max. It's alive. What is he doing to him, bro? He's giving him shots! Bro, chill! He turned Simon to lasagna, bro. Dude, he's smacking him around! That's ridiculous, bro. On the ground, just give him like a little... Bro, chill on him, bro. Dude, he's tearing his organs out. Oh! You picked up a man's heart. No, that's Simon's heart, bro. Rest in peace, little Simon, bro. Little Simon. Where did he go? He ran off. That guy's fast, bro. I'm not outrunning him. Oh, okay, the game's telling me I can run now. Let's go, bro. Lift it up. Let's just go, bro. I don't want to deal with this. Gosh, my sensitivity is in the frickin' stratosphere, bro. We're able to do 1 360 on my desk. Yikes, bro. Alright, okay, wait. Which way do I go? Do I dig through here or do I go through here? I'm gonna go through here. Back to frick up right now. Okay, let's dig. I'm not going in there. Let's go. I can hear them in the walls. They're gonna be here any second. My prayers have been answered. I was right all along. Okay, wait. I can't. Tweaky Weeky's over there, bro. What am I gonna call him, man? I'm gonna give him a name. I'll call him Phineas. Phineas the freak out. Oh. Hey, Finny. Hey, buddy. Dude, he's trotting around in there just itching to eat somebody. Not gonna eat me. I don't even taste that good, bro. Okay, wait. Maybe he is satiated when the lights are on. So when the lights go off, he's like, alright, Phineas freaking activate freak mode. Oh my gosh, I just can't read it all. To use the machine, hold E. Oh, it's talking about this machine? Hold on. Finny does hate the freaking lights. Get waddled on, nerd. I'm going, bro. Oh my gosh. Ah! What is he doing? Bro. Wind it up again. Alright, there's gonna be a key in there, so he gets soft locked to the right side. I'm gonna find the stinking key. Key, activate. The whole game is broken, bro. Of course it's this one. Oh my gosh, Phineas, please calm down. Let's go. I'm through. Triple 4, bingo! Yeah, okay. Alright, let me guess. Let me take a guess. Okay, I'm good to go. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna start digging through the thing. I'm gonna somehow cut a power wire. Whole place is gonna go dark. Then this one, he's like, okay. Beast mode. Activated. Let's go. Alright, dig through here, little sucker. Nobody's got spoon work like me, man. Find one person that uses a spoon like this. Oh, I thought that was like a part of a body. I think that's a rock. What do we got? Another dead guy. Gosh, bro, is this Robbie and Terry? Oh my gosh, Robbie and Trey. Robbie, Trey, and Bernie. Robbie, Trey, and Bernie. How many people have the village sent down here, dude? They even had photo evidence. If you're reading this, I assume it's much too late. Me and my 2 others have hidden into one of the tunnels. Or was it one of ours? I can't tell the difference anymore. They came out of nowhere. They? 1 second, we're working the next total bloodbath. I managed to capture one of those demons in a photograph. Maybe it'll be of use to someone up above when they write the books about us. Bro thinks of writing books about him. Bold guy. Hey, here lies Brian. Oh, no, I got confused, bro. It's Brian, Julian, and Daniel. What? We're sorry we can't make it home. Man, they probably had loving families. Daniel was like going home for like a nice pot of stew. He just got turned into the stew down here, bro. Rest in peace, Big Man Ting, bro. Top lad, bro. Okay, wait, what's down this way? Ow! Ow! Get dodged out, little buddies. Man, our village has to be, like, way behind. Because, why? Give me a gun. Oh, no, here's a spoon. What? Oh, this is so much nicer. It's like when I hear the audio, my ears don't, like, bleed. Oh, yes. Oh, wait, the little sparks create light, though. Like, oh, FNAF, but you can make your own light. Wait, this is FNAF. What do we got? Game went quiet. It's Phineas. Wait a minute, is it like Resident Evil where like one of the guys down here turned? Oh, he's sniffing. He doesn't even have a nose, he's mouth breathing, L-mewing. What, bruv? He's still over there. Is this a little rat guy? Collectible found Ratman figurine. Can I put it back? Bro, I don't want that. How do I get out of here? Alright, yeah, I know you guys are yelling. I mean, Max, just go to the screen. I just want to see if that's what the game wanted me to do. Sometimes these games are just bullcrapping all the time because they're just like, yeah, do this, do that. Okay, okay, everybody, shut the frick up. Shut up. Here's what we're gonna do. I do not know. Alright, now I know when I put this lever in, power's gonna go all the way off. Wrong item, bro. Go. Wait a minute. Phineas, how'd you get over here, Phineas? Okay, hold on. You cycle your items. Why is it telling me that now, bro? Turn on the light, I'm scared. Where am I going? Where am I going? Okay. So it's just behind you to slow him down. So you can be... I'm glazed! I'm glazed! Ah! Ah! That's why! Dude, look! He's in straight BS! He's got tuna-up, what is that, beans? Bro. Okay, wait, let's try that one more time. Gosh, I gotta get ready. He starts chasing me after I get through here. Right, let's go. Hide from me, young one, hide from me. You don't want to reap the havoc. Let's go. Oh my gosh, bro, dig, bro. Alright, yeah, that's my stamina up there in my lungs. Alright, this way. Go. Ah! Bro, I hate the game! Were the rats eating a key? They got crazy rats, bro. They have like tuned up rats, juggernaut rats. Were they eating the key? Is that what that little shiny stuff was? Crap! Bro, he keeps screaming, bro. Please close gate behind you. Yes! Bro, there is 2 ripped hands on that handle. Bro, they pushed up the handle. He grabbed him through the gate. Tore the whole body out. Get farted on, little buddy. I played these games before. Think I haven't ever been chased before? Phineas Part 2. Hello? Phineas loaded up with some friends. I don't have a handle. Oh, I did. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot, bro. I didn't even see this. Okay, wait. Wind up the crank. Put a bullet in the tank. I'm not using the freaking shank. Alright. Chill out! Yo! Somebody go contain that guy. Bang, bang, bang. Alright, let's go. Where's Phineas? Where's Phineas? Cycle through your... They keep telling me the same advice! Yup. Where's this lead me? Generate light. Can't see anything. Where is this? Wait, is that Big F? Phineas. Oh, okay. He's playing the stinking piano. Ah. The village sent him down here. He got bored. He made a piano and made a little room so he's safe. Hey, man. He did that chase sequence. Is like, I can't do this anymore. I just have to play piano. I see, bro. Hey, you do you, man. Game's going quiet again. Means Phineas is on the horizon. And my spoon work is devilish, bro. It's devilish. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Young man tightrope balance, bro. You guys never seen this before. Oh my. Natural born. Oh. Let's frickin' get it, man. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, foreman's office. Phineas in there. Shoot, bruv. Yeah. Hold on. F is in here. Turn it on. Let's just get searchy. Let's get searchy right now. What? How did they expect me to do that? Bro, it's killed me. They did a slow-mo. Bro, what the frick? Okay, wait. I gotta remember. Oh my gosh, bro. Game plan. I'm reading the book right down here. Turn on the lights. When he's afraid, go steal it from his head. Okay. Prepare your parlays. Your fest about to eat some stinking shit. Oh, there's a typo in the playbook. Oh, okay, sorry, I misread. Excuse me? What am I doing here? I'm leaving that. Is he gonna get distracted by the dead man? Ah! Okay, hold on. Hold on, watch this. Bang, bro, come on! Big man plays, man. Big man ting, man. Big man plays. Look at him. He's so focused on where I left him at, he's still stuck in the past. Stuck in the past, little boy. Can I rip the key from his head right now? No. What if I turn the lights on while he's in the cage? Oh! I see. 1 light source tweaked out. 2 light source out of the game. Oh, that's oh, my playbook. 3FS is a curious mystery of elite sportsmanship and talent. Very good. Foreman's key, baby. He definitely... Get it, let's go. I can use this. This project should have been finished weeks ago. The men are starting to get restless. Mark has been missing... Merkert has been missing for at least 4 days now. Why did he go messing around in the tunnels? Is this my fault? What the frig is that guy talking about? What was this little moral they got going on right here? Oh, that's probably Foreman. Gosh, bro, he got turned into a kebab. crazy. Alright. What the frick broke back there? What the frick was that? Hello? Oh, I could jump over that. I completely forgot I could jump, bro. I'm an idiot. What are they building all these, the jail cells for? Are these, like, for just crazy people in the village and get, like, break a... Hello? Break a law, get sent to the break a law, get sent to the underground jail? You would not believe what I have in my inventory. Let's go. Oh my gosh, big explosion. Front row seats, bruv. Don't worry, everybody, that was just me. Don't worry.
My goodness, you made it.
Hey, you know me, bro.
Where's the foreman?
Oh.
What? We need to get out of here immediately. Get that gosh darn gate open now.
What gate is he talking about? Oh, this one. Key. Open it up, Storage surface, power maintenance. What is that whole thing for? Why do we need to get out of here immediately? Is the foreman gonna, like, amalgamate all little guys and turn to, like, a big foreman boss? Want some Resident Evil crap, bro. Surface. We gotta get to surface. Power maintenance. Is that a button right there? Or is that a radio? Oh! Phineas V2. That was the sickest beat I've heard. It's like boom, 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 boom. That was gonna be a sick drop, bro. That was fire. Thank you so much for playing. I hope you had a blast. Full game will be available soon, and you'll be able to bring water back to your village or die shrine. In the meantime, please add the game to Steam wishlist. Hey man, that was a good game. Oh, you just exit the whole entire game when you're done with that. Alrighty, y'all. Well, if you did enjoy that semi-short playthrough of The Well Is Not Empty, you'd like to see me play the full game, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. I want to say thank you guys again for watching. If you did watch this video, if you watched the Resident Evil 7 series, 8 will be coming soon. I don't know necessarily when, but it is definitely coming soon, you guys. But as always, make sure to comment your favorite timestamp. Let me know what you thought of the video down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Howdy fellas, my name is First. Welcome back to another video. Now today we have an interesting one, because I'm gonna tell you guys a funny story. Now, about 2 hours ago it was now, I sat down to record this exact same game, and you may say, Max, what are you doing recording the intro 2 hours later? What are you doing? Well, I had installed the demo yesterday, not knowing that the game was gonna release, like, today, so I figured why not I just play the full game. I was originally gonna upload the demo, and then when the game dropped, but the game already dropped, so I mean, shoot, man. So I will have some prior experience, about an hour's worth of recording experience going into this game, but hello everybody, my name is First. Welcome to Retail HE Double Hockey Sticks. Let's waste no time, let's press play button. Boom, just as I remember it. You can sell the guys chips, you can sell them beans. Man, it really kills the... Oh, shoot, bro. New one, let's see if this is any different. Listen to me very carefully. Okay, yeah, basically this guy just tells you how to play the game. Bring a pack of cigarettes to the counter, then press the red button. Bing. We sell the guy some stuff. There he goes. Then there's this guy, and then he says, more clients, more money. You're here for a reason. Then there's another guy. There's another guy that... Oh, they don't bring him up. There's another guy that starts giving you some tips. Hola, mister. New job? No. Need something bubbly, loud, like me. Right away, sir. What you're gonna do is give this guy a cold soda. Hold on, God deposit hashtag that money. There you go, buddy. See ya. Adios. Bang. Hold Hold on, around the map there's like little money trinkets you gotta find. Genius, bro. Here we go.
Hey, you got my old job.
Click on a client to ask for the order a second time. It will drain their patience. You got something that can act as a bandage? Yes, sir. Here you go. Let's give this guy some stinking toilet paper. Sorry if it seems like I've played this before. It's because I have. But, okay, this guy wants some chips. Flay's Classic. Can't lie, those sound mad good, bro. I'll destroy some stinking chips. New face around here. What?
You see this glass window?
It's gonna break if you get many orders wrong. You said you can fix it using the provider. Or just keep customers happy. So I clean myself. Bro, I just sold this guy toilet paper, bro. Used up the whole roll in like 4 seconds. Now basically, people are gonna come by here. Now remember, I got to about, I think I got to day 5 or 6.
Something smells in here. Give me that tiger cereal?
Yes, bro. Curse flakes just for you, good sir. Looks good. Thanks. He's getting like into it and stuff, bro. Hold on, I gotta organize my shelves. You guys would not believe how I was playing this at the end of that demo, bro. Can of beans, hold on. Easy. Bye. See ya, girl. You guys, I have... See, hold on. Man, gosh, man. He wants chips. So I named this little guy when I played this before, I named him Pencil. You want to take a guess why I said that? Oh, shoot, I don't got much time. I basically said if a pencil made a wish to turn into a human, that'll be the guy. What'd he say? I forgot. Chips? Bang. See, look. He doesn't cause any problems, comes up, orders exactly what he needs, and then he's out, bro. Okay, hold on. I can do one more order.
Hey.
You got any toilet paper? Yes. Oh, bang. Legendary run. Already 44 bucks in, bro. Give me a challenge. Let's go. Pencil. What do you want? What do you want? Cereal. Okay. Here you go, buddy. Look at me, bro. Hey. Man, he's good. He best played this game before. You'd be correct. 5 seconds. Come on. I got it. Dang, 50 bucks on the first day. When I was playing the demo, I made it to about 30. Shoot, bruv. Okay, now it's time to clock out. Buy a day of service, 5 bucks. Let's go on to the next day. Good first day. Good frickin' first day, Max. Let's go. Alright, come on. Welcome back, sir.
Yo. Still alive, I see.
Guy must think I'm a baby.
See that computer screen back there? Use it to get more products. Orders take some time to deliver. I want a can of human C. Order it for the computer.
You know what else you can order? One of these. Alright, hold on. I can't see. You got like a limited amount of time. Look, I got 227 seconds. Who needs that much time, bro? Go to order, hold on. Can of human. In this monster, in this universe, they don't call it monster, they call it human. Check this out, ready? Takes about 15 seconds to get here. Oh, I think it's a little bit faster in this version. Oh, not completed. There you go, sir. Bang. We're gonna be running this frickin' convenience store market. I'm gonna be a dangerous force. They're gonna see me start climbing up on the leaderboards. Go, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's up, bro? Hey, come over here. There's a bad customer out there. Stalker. He's got no eyes. If he gets here, just stay still. Okay, bro. Don't move at all. Got something to cover my skin? This dude's the TP warrior, bro. Okay, I need to order more TP. Is that ready? World's fastest TP order. Ready? Hey, yo! A roll of toilet paper? See ya. See ya, girl. Here we go. This is the freaking guy he's talking about. Don't move, don't move, don't move.
Someone home. You know I heard you.
Oldest trick in the book, bro. Oldest trick in the book. Senor, nice to see you again. Having some weird dreams. Give me 2 cans of bubbles. Bro. It's greedy little stink, bro. Uno. Dose just for you, sir. Bang. Oh my gosh. This game's unironically like a really good aim trainer. Because you gotta be like, gotta like snipe it and then put it on the thing. What's up, bro?
You again. Got some wisdom for you.
Some of us just want to buy some stuff. Who would have thought, bro?
But others are cursed.
They'll mess with you. Yeah, they'll like throw a guy at you that'll like turn your vision all like wonky and stuff. Those will hurt you until they leave. I need something to clean myself. Yeah, dude, TP warrior, bro. See, look at that. Ready? Oh my gosh. I played these games before. Boing. Boom. Boom. No, big guy coming up.
You there, little guy?
You got one thing wrong about that sentence, bro.
Got beans?
Wait, where's my beans at? Here we go. Gosh, I need to stock up on beans. Alright, sir, just count to 500 and then I'll be there. Genius. Let's go on the monitor, order some beans. Trust beans. 32 seconds, come on. Come on, bro. This girl will like I press and W, you go backwards. What'd she say? I want soda. Genius. Genius. For some reason that girl frickin' talks backwards, bro. Nobody, I want to see more, man. Frickin' pencil. What's up, buddy? Toilet paper? You got it, buddy. Take care, little one. Alright, we think we get one more customer? Yeah, I think I get one more customer. Alright. Chips. Easy, bro. Bang. What a phenomenal second day. Alrighty. Now, hold on. Let's take note of our inventory real quick. I'm 1 HP on sodies, 1 HP on cereal, freaking full HP on roller dogs, bro. I need more beans. No, I'm actually pretty good on beans, actually. Hold on, wait. I'm decent on beans, mid on chips. It's a dude screaming out there. Hope he's alright. Comment down below if he's dead. Oh, shoot. See, I'm just... Oh my gosh, you would have thought I'm speaking with my past self, bro. Time traveler, bro. Gosh, okay, now I'm beyond... I'm 100 plus, I got minis on beans. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna order 2 sodies and 3 TPs. Check this out, ready? Wait a minute. Okay, one thing I did notice when I played the demo, as the days goes on, stuff gets more expensive. $61 right now. How much does it cost to get another day? $13. You know what that means? I can ball out. Let's do 5 sodies. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is go the whole frickin' mile, bro. Okay, wait. Wait. Yo, this is looking sexy, bro. Throw a pack of cigarettes in there just cuz. Oh my gosh, it went through. Package. You'd have thought I won the lottery, bro. Holy crap. Nah, I just saved myself for the whole rest of the game. You guys would not believe how tight on cash you get as the days go on, bro. Let's put that right there, bro. What do they call them in this universe? Snarlers. You gotta throw the K in there, bro. Snarklers. I'm calling snarklers. And I just saved myself for about 3 freaking days. If I have any more money, I'm ordering more stuff, bro. What's your boy doing if he's thirsty and he hands you a can of human? Y'all drinking it? Be honest. Bro, oh my gosh. You could ask me for TP 2 of them 3 times. Talk about loaded up. Oh my gosh, all these stinking chip bags, bro. When your boy asks you for some Lays. Oh my gosh. All right, now let's head over on to day 3. Let's see what's going on day 3. Bye, Davis Service. Welcome, buddy. Oh, here I come, day 3. Day 3, here we go. Who's this guy?
We present ourselves, the salesmen of flesh and sin. Being raised at the body. Available on your provider. Check our organs section the day we come.
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Only available today. A butchered hand. Carry 1 more item. And under our order for wares.
Potato chips, we crave the oil and the salt. This dude just one big cockroach selling organs. He probably runs a crazy business down here, bro. You chilling in purgatory, your homeboy says, let's go to 7-Eleven.
Wake up.
Okay.
See that refrigerator?
Use SoCo drinks. See, yeah. See, then there's a whole element. Then they introduced this whole element of like, you got these drinks, and then you gotta cool them because people want cold pop, bro. Cold can of human. You stinking go, little buddy. Get loaded up, bro. Boom. I run the shop, man. I run the shop. Yes, I do. You again. What's up, bro? What do you got?
You like heavy metal?
Like the item or the music? I got a friend that does. The item or the music?
If you see him,
Just help him and he'll go.
okay.
He just wants his skulls. They'll appear on the store. What the frick is that? I didn't see that last time. Just give him 5 like a regular order. That? Can you give me 2 rolls? Yeah, I got you, bro. Wait, what is he talking about? Skulls? Like souls? I have no idea what that guy's talking about. He did not say that dialogue the first time. You still here? Nah, bro, I left. Wicked, bruv. Wicked, bruv. Oh! Oh! I want skulls for my collection. Yeah, bro. I got you, bro. Get them. 5 of them. Oh my gosh, they didn't do this the first time. He was indeed talking about the freaking genre of music, bro. Let's go. Come on. Bang. Bang. Bang.
Wicked.
How much money? How much money? $10 whole. Your boy back there was messing it up. Hey, just a quick tip. Okay. Shoot away. You could just press the button if you don't want to handle someone. Gee, thanks. They're gonna get angry. I'll just do this to him. Problem solved. Give me cold soda to cool down. This dude's always talking about give me this, give me that. How about you just give me money for free? Free money. I'm hitting an all-time record. I'm hitting an all-time record. I'm telling you right now. Here we go with this bull crap. Bang. It's a free $10 every time. It's a free $10 every time.
Yo. Hey. Give me some chips.
Okay.
Later.
Does it get any chiller than that? Yes, it does. Here he comes. What's up, Fats Light? Oh, bro. Cereal. How you doing, bro? Love you, bro. He just makes me so happy. I'm not even creeped out by the way he looks. If I saw that in real life, I would tweak bricks, but... Okay, hold on. Hello. Bro, I'm thinking she's saying, like, cuss words, bro. What'd that first word look like? I need a nut? No, she needs tuna. Yo! Alright. Bro, what the frick did I say? I need a nut? Ah, something smells in here. You got the wrong place, bro. Smell like muffins and berries. Green energy drink, okay. Bomb. Oh my gosh, bomb diggity, $70. Now I can really get going. So I need about 4 cans of human. I'm good on TP. I need some tuna. Nobody loaded up on beef today. That's weird. Oh, but I like that though. I like that though. Hold on, go to shop. Oh my gosh, my hand's slipping. My hand's slipping. It's too much fun, bro. I'm addicted, bro. Just buying this, buying that. Shopping spree, bro. Holy crap, bro. Holy crap. Alright, we're just gonna stock these stinking shelves again, bro. Oh. Genius, man. Thanks to whoever invented that mechanic of just dropping stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think about that. They're gonna, like, open their soda. It's just gonna go to the ceiling. Hey. Yo, I'm good for, like, 2 straight days, bro. Oh, what's that? Hold on. Someone's knocking at my door. Let me know if y'all heard that. I thought I heard a ghost. Alright, let's clock in for day 4. Let's keep it running. Gosh, I'm doing way better than I did while playing the demo. I did horrible on the demo. Y'all would believe that. Alright, let's go. Quit messing around. Quit messing around. What's going on, bro? How you doing?
Me again. You seen the harvester?
No. Mean-looking monster. If it comes near, close the shutter. It's something to cover my wounds. Harvester? What the frick is this guy talking about? Oh, shoot. Wait, no, he's talking about this guy. Oh, my gosh. How could I forget, bro? I remember I said, this looked like Ennard if he went through a wood chipper. That's what I said. Oh, hey. Coffee machine? Place an empty cup, then press the button to operate it. Yeah, when I played the demo, I was like, yeah, it looks like Ennard if he went into a wood chipper. If you run out, order more coffee beans. Yep, I remember this. Nice coffee. Let's get it running, bro. Day 4. Oh, pre-fire didn't even get a word in. I won't forget. Come near. It's like FNAF, bro. This door's made out of solid metal. Walk away, he's like a scared little boy. I would put my fingers through there and start taunting him. Ah! How you doing, buddy? Smiling. Chips. Humble order, bro. Humble order for a humble man. Put the money in the... I want to go out there and meet that guy. Oh! Oh! Bro. What language is that, bro? Boeing 7047. Beans. Soda. I don't know. I just know one of them's beans, one of them's soda, and cereal. Beans, soda, and cereal. Watch me get it right. Beans, soda, cereal. Holy crap! I think I'm getting smarter by the day, everybody. If you would watch my Subnautica playthrough, you'd think I'm dumb. Uh-oh, one video he improved his IQ. How did he do it? Candy, chips, toilet paper. This dude's having a wild night. Candy chips, toilet paper. What's wrong? Frankenstein, what's up, brother? Yeah. Sorry for the dripping. Need something to smoke to start my day. Start my day with smoking? Hey, bro, chill out, bro. I know you're already dead, but watch those lungs, bro. Even after death, you'd be surprised. Bang, bro. Come on, 80 bucks? Two more customers, come on. 2 more customers, come on. Hurry up, lady, hurry up. Click through that dialogue. Sweet soda. Bring me another one, let's go, come on. Let's go, man, come on. Making all this gosh darn money. Just want some fresh. Children's cereal? Oh, I thought he just wanted fresh. I was gonna be like, your outfit doesn't look that bad. You look pretty fresh to me, bro. All right, now I get $86. All right, my daily tax, 22 bucks. What's that leave me with? About $66. Let's get to work. Hold on, analyzing in progress. Sodies, chips, cereal. Open up that sheet, bruv. Let it rain down from above. Oh, yes. To be honest, y'all, would y'all come to my convenience store in real life? I'd name it 5. Yo, bro, let's head over to 5. All right, bro. You'd have thought I was the chip man, bro. No, sir, what's your name? Chips. Why don't we get the barbecue flavor up in here? Let's get a little spicy. Sour cream and onion barbecue flavor. 2 best flavors, you guys. Put down in the comments if you guys like cheese sandwiches. Also, put your favorite flavor of Lay's. Also, put your favorite flavor of Lay's down there. I'm telling you, bro, you can't go wrong with the barbecue Lay's. Oh, and the sour cream and onion. I'm salivating talking about the sour cream and onion. Sour cream and delight, bro. Sour cream in heaven. Don't test me, bro. I'll walk into a store and eye up the same bag 5 times. I was a chunky kid growing up, you guys. I indulged in the gluttony growing up. I'm not proud of it, bro. My goodness, were those some good years, though. I remember I'd get bored and I'd ask my dad to take me to Whataburger. That's how bad I got. I get bored and ask my dad to take me to Whataburger. See, I still got some of that in me now, but I replaced all that bad food with good food. And by good food, I just mean like ground beef and rice in a tub with some lettuce. Hey, the gains gotta come somehow, bro. Yo, I'm actually living up in here, bro. What's it? 5 cans of cereal, 3 bags of chips, 40 rolls of toilet paper. Quit messing, bro. Quit messing. Y'all think I'm Toilet Man. What's up, Toilet Man? How you doing today? No problem, bro. Let's buy another day. Oh! Day 5. Run it up. Make it to day 5, morning shift. Come on, man. How's it going, sir? Servant? Not your servant, I'm 3FS. Hot dog machine is ready. Bah. Click a button, the hot dog, then the sauces. Bah. Now give me your order. Better not have mayonnaise on it. W-mans, bro. Bun, dog, mustard. Put it right there for you. Now, there was a dude in the demo, I remember, who ordered all of my roller dogs with every sauce. This is them. Waited for your shift, nice to see you. 2 cans of soda, freezing, okay. They didn't pull out the roller dog special. They took up all my stinking dogs last time. I was like, that dude looks like a uvula. What do you want, bro? I heard you were involved in an ugly accident. Horrible. I don't know anything about that. Got any laugh juice? Sir, I don't know what is laugh juice? The frick is laugh juice? Are you just talking about soda, bruv? Hey, man. Never heard anybody call it laugh juice. Take a sip, start laughing? I don't know, bro. Sounds like Eddie. Ah! What's up, man? Candy. Alright, man. 2 candy for my boy. I hope God is blessing you abundantly, big man. He's like, look, he's just walking with a little smile on his face. Here we go with this bullcrap. Boom. Gosh, I'm getting everybody loaded up just right, quick and fast. What's up, Frankenstein? I just want some fresh. Dripping all over, get me a roll of toilet paper. Take one of my 50, sir. Take one of my 50. This must have been how it was when that guy who created Walmart created Walmart. Hey. Give me a candy bar and some chips. Ooh, she likes the chips, bro. Give me some chips. She must like the chips, bro. I can't blame you, bro. If there's some sour cream and onion barbecue chips, I'm all over that. Oh, you're back. What? Something smells here. 2 rolls of paper and 2 bags of yellow chips. Oh, he needs some chips. He wants some chips too. Here you go, bro. Big ups on him, man. Big ups. 3 minutes left. I'm still going strong, man. Come on. Uh-oh. Give me 2 hot dogs with everything. See, bro? Gross. Oh. Oh. Look at that, man. It does look pretty good. Triple sauce. Nah, it's gross. It's gross, Max. It's gross. The mayonnaise? I'm sorry. Yeah, bro. I'm sorry for these sorry hot dogs. Oh, I'm getting loaded up today, bro. Every time I see him, my day gets better. Chips, soda, cereal. I love this dude, man. Chips, soda, cereal. I'm not gonna mess up your order. You know what? You know what, man? Hold on. Take some beans. On me, man. On me. Pencil, I thought you were different, man. I'm gonna be honest, I really thought you were different. I gave him more than he wanted and he still... Hot dog plus soda. Alright, here you go. Gosh, man, you know what? I'll give him one last chance. I'll give him one more chance. I know what you did. I know. I gave Pencil an extra thing of beans and he got ticked off at me, man. Gotta get it right on the mark type, dude. I thought I'd load him up with some extra snacks, man. He's not even... I got customers to serve, little boy. Soda. Cereal. Soda. Cereal. That's what I gave you! I'm gonna rip you in half. Alright, I have $41. What can I do with that money? You know what? I'm gonna get 2 things of candy, some paper rolls. Next time Pencil comes up here, I'm gonna have a little word with him. We're different than this, man. That actually ruined my day, you guys, like no joke. Should I mess up his order on purpose, you guys? Let me know. Gosh, I feel bad. I actually did. Alright, I'm gonna just stop talking about it. Let's go to day 6. Let's go. Almost a full work week. What do I gotta pay today? 35 bucks? Easy. Why is it like extra dark in here? Man, are your lights out? No, they're on. Yeah, they're good. They're working. Go to the panel and make sure stuff says on. Okay. You'll get into a bad situation if you don't. Where? Big switch. Wait, what did he say? For my wounds. Wait, where? Oh! I'm an idiot. Oh yeah, I got you something, bro. There you go. Wait, there was a whole bunch of other stuff on there I could get, though. Hold on. I gotta serve balls here. Hello. Toilet paper. Gosh, I thought he's ordering 2 separate things. I think when he's ordering 2 separate things, there's gonna be a plus sign in between it. 7 minutes. I can do a lot with 7 minutes. What's up, dude? You're not making enough, you know. I don't know if you know, I think I'm doing better than every other employee you've ever had, ever. I'll put money on it. You don't have to do just the bare minimum. What are you talking about? I tried to load Pencil up with snacks. Attend customers fast, did that. Later the day, they are hungrier and order more. I'm here for my coffee. Shove this coffee up your... What? Let's come in for some freaking coffee, bro. Right, yeah, I'm gonna come out there. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I go. Oh! It's a moth! What would this guy possibly order? A fellow beast from salty depths. It calls unto me. This beacon. It calls unto me. calls on... What do you want, bro? Oh, I gotta turn the lights off. Gosh, I'm the biggest idiot known to man. Why did I give that dude free chips? I heard salty and I just thought of chips. Moon's looking crimson tomorrow. Whatever, bro. We'll get impatient and hungry. And a little crazy. I need something soothing. 2 red cans. 2? Thought he was gonna load up some toilet paper. I almost just loaded him up right there. That'd have been bad. Oh my gosh, I'm broke. Oh! Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. My dear friend, would you participate in a game? Yeah, bro, I love playing games. All it takes is the money on your cash register. Yeah, 16 bucks and 20 cents. If you want to participate, click on my bell. I thought I said my belly. Wait, your bell? Oh. And if you're extremely boring, you can click on your red button. Oh, sorry. Any takers? Step right up. Now get ready. How many skulls do you need to give me? 5. What is that? A? A. Come on, man. Come on. And the answer is... Great answer. Yeah, that's the answer. Yeah. Alright, keep testing me though. Keep running, bro. Keep running. Name of a blind creature trying to kill you. Stalker. The answer is... Great. Oh! Keep it running, bro. I'm gonna be 3 for 3. Alright, let's go for the next question. How much time did it take for an rep? 17 seconds. Yep, 17 seconds. Oh! Great answer once again! Oh, yeah, baby! And for your next question... What? He's gonna give me another one. He stole my stinking time. But I want some money, though. Come on, man. He give me 50 bucks. You are the customer now, then us. We have hard stomach. Alright, don't care. Dark coffee. Okay. 5 cups. Does that tell me how many cups I have left? 5 cups? I don't know. Okay, I do probably need to order some more sodies. Hold on. Uh-oh. What do you need, bro? Tuna cans and beans. This guy's always ordering tuna... beans. Sorry, I like turned into that guy for a second. Sorry, you guys. The demon came out. What's up, Clubby? Someone there? Rolls of toilet paper. Couldn't even decide. Does he even know if he wants these? Probably not. Bingo. Let's go. Minute 47, I got this. Come on. Let me guess, Tona and some beans? Tona? Who's Tona? Two cans, 1 of tuna, 1 of beans. Oh, okay. That's why, bro. He's getting all muscled up. He's getting all ripped. Tuna and beans. Maybe I gotta hop on that method. Is that worth it? Who knows? Come on, boy. 51 seconds. I can do some crazy work with 46 seconds now. Let's go. Come on. Bring him to me. Come on! Who's there? What? Yes. I'm here. Coffee and cigarettes. Oh, okay. I didn't even know someone was there. Coffee and cigarettes. Invisible man, bro. Alright, come on, next dude. Oh my gosh, I just wasted so much time with that bull crap. Yo! Can't fool me. I played FNAF before. I won't forget. Someone go ahead and punch that guy in the throat. Alright, clock out. Do I get one more customer or no? Please. Chivalry, bro. Okay. 0 bad customers, but I lost so much money because I had to repair the window. Okay, hold on. What do I gotta load up on? Hold on. More cereal, more beans, more sodium, more TP. Wait a minute. Hold on. Do I get a discount when I order the 6-packs? Look, it says 6-packs up there. Do I get a discount when I do that? 14 bucks? Is that a steal? Oh, it is. Oh, I got excited talking about that. You save a little bit of money when you do it. I think I'm gonna do that for cereal. Yeah. And then let's get like mad sodies. Alright, let's go. Day 7, come on. Day 7. It's looking a little bit more red in here. What happened? Yo. Remember me? Yeah? Come near. Yeah, easy. Oh, it's the blood moon, bro. What does Boss Man want? It's looking beautiful today. Oh, yeah, I'm sure it is, bro. Our patience is thinning. For what? Me to do better? We won a lot. Act quickly. I'm expecting my cigarettes and a coffee. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Put it in there. Oh my gosh, put the frickin' thing in there. There you go, bro. More clients, more money. There are worse places. Alright, here we go. Come on, we're loaded up today. Let's get it moving. Laugh juice, I got you, bro. Yo, what? Wait, is that my family? He didn't pay me in money, he paid me in memories. How sweet. Okay. Sir, I need money, though. Coffee beans, let's go. Good eve to thee, most noble gentle sir. Noble? What am I talking about? Most noble gentle sir. I take thy chips, candy, and paper rolls. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, bro. What was she doing? What was she doing? Why'd she do that? The air here, it's a painful reminder. I'm burning. Get me a couple cold reds. Okay, I got you, bro. Just for you. Let's go. Got 9 cups of coffee. I'm ready. Oh my gosh, I'm running low on TP. Hold on, sir. Hold on, sir. Bang. 2 cups of coffee. Quickly. Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa, chill. It's 1. Move it. Hey, bro! Your machine in the game is taking seconds. There we go. Oh my gosh, I'm a laser. Hello, ma'am. I know you'd be here. Yeah? Get me a hot dog with mayonnaise. Oh my gosh, I need to load up on the hot dogs. Candy bar and some cereal? Oh my gosh, this is not good. Candy bar and some cereal. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay. Nice. I need to order more dogs and buns. More dogs and buns. Dogs and buns. Okay. Turn the lights off! Oh, a dark cold can. Oh, okay. Why is he ordering, like, stuff this time? Guy ticks me off, bro. Replenish the buns? Where's my wieners at? Crap, bro. What does this guy want? Beans. Is that what he means? Let's go. Where's my wieners? I ordered wieners. Let's go. Come on, where's my wieners? Oh my gosh, there's my wieners. They blended into the floor. Can of beans, roll of toilet paper. Oh my gosh, wieners playing camouflage gaming, bro. Come on, bro. I'm getting fooled by some wieners. Unbelievable. Okay, that's stash. That's wiener stash. Gosh, so overloading. What do we got? How are you, buddy? It's been a minute. Coffee, chips, candy. I got you. Just 1 second. I'm sorry. I feel so bad, bro. I'm fricking up his whole day, bro. Poor Pencil, man. Gosh darn it. Okay, hopefully nobody else asks for, like, 2 pieces of candy. Hey, you saw me. Smoke some coffee, please. Okay. Okay, I need to get more cigarettes. Here we go, come on. I need that money. Okay, I'm good on my quota. Oh, shoot, man. I'm starting to run tight. Psych. Okay, let me order some candy. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I should be doing this in bulk. I'm paying a $5 delivery fee every time. I'm such an idiot. Alright, come on, next customer, come on. Dang it. I'm such an idiot. Alright, I have 20 bucks. I need beans, candy. That's it. Hey. Can I get a 6-pack of candies? Yes, I can. Let me get 2 of those boys. Actually, just 1. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, that's about all I can manage. Alright. Good on TP, good on tuna, good on sodas, good on humans. Roller dogs looking fresh. Gosh, $3. That's a little bit tight. Come on. $50, bro. Shoot. All right, but I got 10 minutes. I got 10 minutes. That hog dog machine is filthy. You live like this? It's... Alright. The grime has stopped it from working. Get a cleaner from the tools on the provider. Okay. Tools. Cleaner. Okay. Alright. Dude making me order a cleaner? Gosh, that sucks. What is that? Is that grease in there? Yeah, that means those roller dogs are good, bro. Am I making y'all hungry? Be honest. Okay. Alright. Hold on. Let's get cleaning. Let's get cleaning. Oh! Bang. Let's go. Click the grate to clean it and give me one with mustard. Okay, boy. Okay. Come on, $50. That's all I need to make today. I think I'm good on everything. I think I'm good. Okay, I need to order some sodies at the end of the day. Gosh, will I survive 7 minutes with sodies? Yo, what the frick is that, bro? What the frick is that, bro? I'd like a can of human. Cold, please. You can't just transport me to the realm where I gotta exit through the frickin' maze. It's gonna feel like I'm in Roblox, bro. This guy's always talking about wanna buy a liver. Bro, no, bro. It can become something new. Alright, I just don't want to hear it at all. Potato chips. We crave the oil and salt. All for you, brother. Alright, bang. Okay, we're on good pace. We're on good pace. We're on decent pace. I got you this time, I promise. Pencil, I promise. I promise. Cereal? Alright. Keep it simple, keep it easy. Have a good day, buddy. I'll see you soon, okay? God bless. See, I can't be mad at him, man. With that little face. Oh, here we go. Talk about $70. Let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play. Come on. Time to make some money, 3FS. You freaking know it. And round of applause for our brave participant. How many skulls? 5. You asked me this question before. You think I have a memory of a goldfish? Let's go. Let's go, bro. And for your next question, how many coffee cups can you serve in a single refill bag? It's 9, because I tried it. Big ups, man. And now, how much time does the fridge take to cool a can of soda? Bro, okay, corpse cola? 15 sounds about right. 15. I'm just going 15. I'm going 15. Oh, man, come on, big guess, man. Let's go, boy. What do you want? What do you want? Nothing. Let's go, man. Easy money. 87 bucks? You wait just a second while I fix that window. Bingo. Easy, man. Good stuff. Don't move, don't move. Oh my gosh, straight through the window crease. He's gone, bro. Knife straight into the frickin' nether regions right now. He's done for, bro. Wouldn't have time to react. You guys wouldn't even react to what I just did right there. Lock in. Oh, I need to order some cigarettes badly. Alright. Let's order those now. Let's order those now. What? $40? What? What? Quiet. Even do I take thy cigarettes? Of course, you frickin'. Alright, bro. Come on. Can I do it fast enough? Can I do it fast enough? Fast delivery, fast delivery. Frickin' genius, bro. Was that a waste of money? Maybe. Hold on. No, I'm still good. Okay, let's order some. Alright, he's gonna do for, beans and tuna. I need 2 hot dogs. Oh, shoot! Don't give me the carbs. Bear doggies! This guy's crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. Like me in that one Florida vlog, bro, just sucking them up. What a weirdo. Okay. 4. Okay, they're not gonna be cold. He's gonna be freaking ticked off, bro. I don't have time for it, though. Gosh, man, what are the odds? Alright, if one of them's cold, is he gonna be happy? Oh. You know it. You frickin' know it. Okay, I'll take that. Alright. No more sodas. Hey, bro. Attend to me. Get me my smokes, now. Click the button! Don't even try to get out. Whoa. What do you mean by that, bro? Hey. Trust no one. Not even myself. Dude's holding a gun, bro. Chill. All right. One more customer. Come on, man. Let's go. Oh, no. She's gonna suck up all the dogs. I got backups, though. You're nicer than the others. What do you need? 2 cans of soda. Freezing. Oh, okay. I just had to take that hit right there. Okay. Okay. 50 bucks leaves me with 30. One thing that I'm gonna do right now, let's get some soda. 6 sodas. I'm good on pretty much everything else. And that dude soaked up on my weenies. 6 sodas, and I'll get some toilet paper while I'm at it. Wait, let's do... Nah, I think I'm gonna definitely need to get some cigarettes next run, because if that boss dude shows up like twice, talking about some, I need some coffee and cigarettes, I'm good for like 1 trip, and then that dude's just gonna kill me. Alright, come on, let's go. Bang. What is this, day 9 now? Day 9? What I gotta do, make it to 10? I don't know. Shoot, bro, 50. That's not that bad, that's not that bad. What's up, bro? You ever seen that bird statue? Yeah, bro, I know that one. Yeah. It freaks me right out. What? It never moves when you look at it. What is this guy talking about? Hates when you spray it. Oh. Survive long enough and it'll leave you alone. I'm burning. Get me a couple cold reds. Okay, bro. Yo, why aren't they cold? Why aren't they cold? Oh, this is horrible. That fridge looks like it's... Dude. Check the cooling on indicator on the side. Yeah, and it's not working. Gosh darn it, bro. Use a screwdriver to increase it. Alright, yeah. Oh my gosh, I thought that was a bug at first. Gosh, for $6 stinking dollars. Give me a cold human after you fix it. Alright, bro. Yeah, sure. You look, if I don't, like, frickin' sniper this screwdriver through there and pierce one of your hands, bro. I don't know why I was showing you guys, like, the form. I got a dangerous form. Ready? Fix that right up. Hey, that's a decent mechanic. That's cool. Ready? Trick shot. Don't sell that. Hold on, so you gotta wait like 1,000,000 hours before it freezes. You're here forever. No, I'm not. Oh! What the frick is going on? Oh! Bro. You can't throw double it up enemies at me, bro. Dear 3FS, you are the worst employee ever. What? The statue got you and the man was behind you. What? You served amazing food though. Okay. Was that it? Continue. Yeah. Day 9. Let's go. No. I'm not done with that, bro. Let's go. What? Wow, bro. Okay, what do you need? What do you want? Soda? Okay. Is that what that says? Perfect. Nice. If I keep it soft locked on the wall, I'm gonna be good. It's gone? Genius. Let's go. Only available today. What is he selling? An arm? Butchered hand. Ooh, I was close. Cigarettes. Oh, shoot. Okay. Alright, I need to order some cigarettes. Have you ever wondered what's happened to your body? I'm sure you have. Some parts of you might be lost. Going back is not an option. Was? I don't think it's possible. What? You got something to cover my skin? Yeah, sure. There you go. Gosh, I had to lock in for that. That was so much stuff to do. Holy crap. 116 bucks. My goodness, they drained me out of almost gosh darn everything, bro. One dude came up here and asked for 4 ice cold sodas. Frick off, bro. Go to Target. Alright, now I got a decent amount of money. Look at that. 25-0? You kidding me? What does the hand do? Contract. What the frick, bro? Shoot, bro. And then just for the frick of it, I'll do some extra cereal, cigarettes, Oh, I don't have much more. All right, that's all I can do. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. Ah, this is gonna come in very handy. Genius. Wait a minute, I can just pick stuff up now without even needing to hold the other hand. Okay. That's not bad at all. Alright, y'all, I'm all stocked up now. It doesn't look like it, but I am. I spent so much freaking money. Let's go. Come on. Day 10 this is now. I went flawless. Let's do it. Candy friend? And you better keep her fed unless you like another killer. Bro. Don't say I didn't warn you. Then act as a bandage? Yeah, bro, I got like a million things of toilet paper. Candy friend? What is he even talking about? I love some candy. Don't have any cash. Yeah, go ahead, bro. Bro, I've seen that lady. I've seen that lady before. I have no idea where. I wish the thing on the left side of my screen would go away. I'd be a lot less annoyed right now if that was the case. Gosh dang it. Oh my gosh. Good evening. What do you need, ma'am? Toilet paper and chips, soda. Oh my gosh, man. That was so freaking bad, bro. Alrighty, y'all, it's getting late for me. I think that's all the time I can do for today. If you guys did enjoy that semi-playthrough of Retail HE Double Hockey Sticks, and you would like to see me play the full game, continue where I left off, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you did make it this far. And I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Easy, bruv. Yo! Yo!
What? Yo!
Jacob, kill this guy. He's dodging. He's dodging.
He's dodging.
Bear trap him. See what's up.
Bear trap him? Gotta hit him with the flank.
Howdy fellas, my name is Steerfest. Welcome back to another video. Now, today, we're playing a game called Shift at Midnight, where you and a buddy have to watch a store and hopefully nothing goes wrong. Now, I mentioned you and a buddy. Wait a minute. Who's my frickin' buddy?
Yo, what's up? It's Jacob. Today, you already know that we're gonna press play, going into the game, and we're gonna stay. Yeah, so why don't you know my name?
Jacob, what the frick was that? Jacob, I ought to give you a swift kick in the neck because of that, bro.
No!
Through the night, you will get customers.
You must figure out whether you're not there, whether or not they are doppelgangers. To detect doppelgangers, use the computer. The database always shows correct, verified information. Question customers to determine if they are doppelgangers. Greg Davis. This person has one arm. Now you see my arm actually grew back 2 days ago. What the frick is this? Now you see my arm. Boom! Take him out. Discuss with your friends and decide if you think the customer is a doppelganger. If you suspect the worst, locate a gun beneath the counter and shoot. If you are notified that a doppelganger has left the store, you better board up, lay traps, and hide. Freaking ready for this, Jacob?
Begin! Wait a minute. Wait. Can you change your mic because it sounds like crap? Okay.
I'm a definite Discord. Alright, Jacob. Objective head side. You ready?
Yo, why do you run like that?
I didn't even
Wait a minute. Give me a second.
What?
Alright, we can't play this game. No emote button. But you know what I can do? I can crouch 1, 2. Just like this. Crouch 1, 2, and I do it like this.
Inside. It's like bread and crap on the floor, bro.
Sail.
Okay.
Dude, Night of the Consumers multiplayer, bro.
Head to the break room, Jacob. Come on. No
Head to the steak room. Alright, let's go.
Yo!
Oh. What the frick?
What the frick happened here, bro? Wait, we got 15 products, Jacob. Gotta pick up a box.
Come on, man. Come on.
Jacob, gotta help me stock, bro. We gotta stock up.
Money.
Okay,
Alright, let's go.
Put this here, this. Who the frick is that, Jacob? Who the frick is that, Jacob? Nobody here yet.
Shelf already full. Wait, Max, all the shelves are already full. Wait, not this one.
Pick a different frickin' shelf, you dingleberry.
Wait, it's telling me to go to your shelf, but
Jacob,
your shelf
these UI noises have me feeling
Okay, I'm keeping this for you. It's there for you.
Thanks, buddy.
Go get all that money.
Box empty. Oh, dude. Jacob, this game is clean as a frick, bro.
Hide and go seek, find me, get a surprise.
Oh, excuse me, bro. Jacob. What happened?
Don't walk into the web.
Why?
Because it turns you.
Jacob, and you started screaming over that crap? Come on, bro.
Okay. So we got Cobra Cola, We got employee to do. How do we open shop? How do we open shop? Bro,
Read the
there's just, like,
instructions on the
legal
notice board. Where's the notice board?
Exit.
Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Use the trash bags to throw the limbs. Okay. Mop the blood. Restock. Okay, James. We got.
Well, I need
gotta
a
use-
Cobra Cola. Give me a second.
Yo! Jacob,
Yo,
hold on.
Who the frick is this?
Okay, that's okay. Where's the stinking dumpster, bro? I have nowhere to put this
Why
guy.
did they add that?
I'm the stinking dumpster, bro. Oh, it's like outside. How do I get outside? What the frick, bro?
Bro, I think the dumpster over here, bro. Look.
No. Oh, yeah. It's right here. Jacob, you gotta mop up the blood,
Oh,
bro.
W, buddy.
Jacob, pick this up right now.
Mop. What?
Pick this up.
Pick what up?
Yo! Now mop this up, bro.
Mop the blood. All right, where's
Yes.
the blood at? Oh.
Right there. No!
Okay. Where
This
is it
right
at?
here,
Oh.
bro. Yeah,
Dude,
Jacob, just do it.
what could have possibly happened in this mysterious store?
Me? Read the instructions on the checkout counter. Okay.
I just threw it.
What do we gotta do? Alright, not reading all that. There's no time limit to customer interrogation. Scan their ID to open the real person's profile on the computer. Question them about these details. Discuss any suspicions you may have with your coworkers. If you all agree that they are likely a doppelganger, locate the gun and shoot. It's like, tell me what I already know.
Before we open.
Jacob, who the frick is this, Jacob?
Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Hold
I
on,
found
dude.
some goodies in the bathroom, though.
Wait for him to buy stuff, then we gotta check this guy, alright? Can't
Okay,
let this
remember,
guy
this is
slip
the
up.
database. This is the
We can't let
database.
this guy slide.
Hold on. Should I look him up?
No, Clyde.
Well, now, you must be a new night clerk. Welcome to the graveyard shift, my friend.
What's up, dude?
Hey, Max.
It's probably a little daunting, huh? No worries. Let me give you a rundown how it's done. First, scan my ID card on the counter.
Oh, he's giving me IRL tutorial. Alright, take that thing, scan it.
No, you do it. I'm looking at the database. Hey, Max, I'm gonna tell you what he is. It says occupation sheriff. Often in uniform, usually wears glasses.
Hold on, let me inspect.
That looks,
Let me take a
that looks
closer
about
look.
right to me. Looks about right.
Jacob,
looks about right.
get your wiener out of his face, bro.
Sorry.
Let me take a closer
Sorry.
look. Usually in uniform, everything's looking good here. Does it look good?
Hold on, let me look at one more thing.
Jacob!
Okay, I think he's good. Scan him in. You go on here and you click one of these, and then it's like, what is it?
Occupation, often in uniform. Where's glasses? Hold on, let me ask him about his glasses.
No, you can ask him from here.
Oh.
Got him on, don't I?
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
yeah,
he's
he's
good. I think he's good. He's
No,
good,
wait,
bro.
wait.
Except the transaction with the register. Bang.
Look at that man walk, bro. Wait, he left without all his freaking stuff.
Oh.
Who do we have here?
He's blue full fit.
I think she's a nurse. She's wearing scrubs. Jacob, chill out. You're making her feel weird and stuff.
All right, bro.
What?
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay.
You got it, bro.
Okay. Hi, ma'am. Her name is Bonnie. Bonnie? Big B? No, bro. No?
Hi there. Long night at the hospital.
Jacob, we got a customer. Jacob, shut up. We got a customer.
Hi there. Long night at the hospital. Just need to grab a few things at home.
All right. Let's get you. Bonnie McCree. That's a sick name, bro. Sounds like an Overwatch character. Bye, Jacob. Occupation nurse.
Nurse over at County General. It's been a long night.
Okay, you look good. Hold on. Jacob, go ahead. Give it a go ahead. Jacob.
Okay. Scan successfully. Bang. Bag.
No,
bag,
don't
bag,
take her
bag.
out, bro.
Hey,
Yo.
See ya.
What if she's a doppelganger?
See ya. Thank you.
Where's she
Hold on,
even
I gotta show
going,
these
bro?
I gotta show these customers what I'm about.
Jacob, this is not Minecraft parkour housings, bro. Who the frick is
Oh
this?
wait, shipment. W
shoot,
shipment.
bro.
Wait. Tap in.
Open that sucker up.
Gotta open it. W's. All right, what we got?
Jacob, my guess is it's a bunch of bacon.
Oh wait, he's backing in.
Yo,
Yo, bear traps.
he's just
Wait,
going off just like that, bro. Thank you, bro. Phone. Jacob, you're gonna kill somebody.
No. W.
Jacob, you're just
We're
gonna kill an
answer
average
it,
person,
answer it,
bro.
Answer it.
Jacob, oh shoot, drop it.
Hey, man, I'm just down the road from your store. My car won't start. I really need a hand getting it running again.
Come on, hey, Jacob.
What?
Jacob, you gotta go down the road and help this guy. He needs help with his car.
Oh, okay. I'll go.
All right, Jacob, good luck, bro. Jacob, do you need a bear trap?
No. Close it. Lock it down.
Jacob, there's nothing there. What are you screaming about?
What do you mean there's nothing there? Max, he's out there, bro.
My character
It's
says,
gone.
what the frick was that?
Okay.
Hold on, we got, no, hold on,
Billy
John just walked in. John
Billy
just walked in.
Hickleberry?
John just walked in.
Hey, man, just grab some stuff real quick. No big deal.
Hey,
His hair looks normal. His hair looks normal.
Jacob, you're threatening the entity. You're threatening the
Sorry.
entity. Back off.
How do you know it's an
Jacob,
entity?
Jacob, I don't like the look of this. I don't like the look of this.
What?
Jacob, take a look. Take
Really?
a look. That's some bullcrap.
Let me look.
That's some bullcrap if I've ever seen it.
Wait, is this not? I haven't seen the IDs before.
Holy
okay.
crap. Yo, welcome in, ma'am. Pick anything you want. Jacob, we gotta clean up the blood, Jacob. They're gonna think we're murderers, bro. Jacob, go clean up the blood. Jacob, clean up the blood.
Get the freaking box.
Fast, Jacob, fast. Yeah. Good stuff, Jacob. Quick. Speed up.
Hey there. Oh,
Jacob,
Max.
What? She's risen you up, bro.
She said, "Hey there, cutie."
Jacob, there's somebody outside.
Hey.
There's somebody over there, bro.
You like what you see? Careful, staring too long can make me blush. Okay. Yo.
Jacob! She was... What is wrong with you, bro?
That's my bad. I got too hyped. Bro, she was rizzing me up, and I was fiddling with my hands. I pulled out the gun and shot her.
Yo.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. We gotta clean this up, bro.
You know, Jacob, that's all you,
no.
bro. I already got the body
What's that?
parts, bro. Jacob, they're gonna come to the counter and be like, what's all this blood about? You having a laugh?
That's my bad. That's my bad.
Hey, good
Alright.
evening. Just grabbing a few things. We're heading back on the road.
All right, what's up, bro? Kevin Larson. Jacob, check him out. On the computer, check him out. He's like 6'8", bro.
I work in insurance. Claims mostly. It's not exactly exciting, but it pays my bills.
There you go, bro.
Yeah, he does
Do what
work
you
in
gotta do.
insurance. Okay. Often inform you later. Dress shirt and a tie. Always professional.
Okay.
Wait. Formal wear. Yep. Tall. Yep. He's looking good. He's looking
He's
good. Give
looking
him the
good, bro. I
scan.
got you, bro. Let me bag this up for you right away, sir. Visitor. You have a great day, sir.
There he goes. He's on his way.
Jacob,
Didn't even
Jacob,
pick
you
the
see that,
groceries.
Bree?
All right.
We cleaned it up in time. They didn't even know what they saw. No blood on the floor.
I'm gonna get the shelves restocked. With the police force.
It's like Resident Evil, bro. Jacob.
Resident
Jacob.
nice and kind.
Jacob, I'm gonna need you to get a little trappy, okay? I'm gonna need you to get a little trappy. The code word trap, bro. Jacob, I'll handle the
Max.
customers you stock up.
Max, I'm having too much fun right now.
Make it quick. I've got NET business to deal with. Okay. This dude's signature just sucks. Sorry. Scan successful. What do you got? Occupation net. Well, the reason those doppelgangers haven't ripped you apart yet, you should be grateful. Hey, bro. Hey. Hold on. Standard issue. You don't need to know more than that. This guy's not telling me. Jacob, chill out, Jacob. This guy's not telling me anything.
He's not.
All play. He's being super. He's
Do you need
gatekeeping
me
his
to check
info,
him out?
bro.
Do you need me to check him out?
Yeah, go ahead. Come here. Scan him, Jacob. Scan him. Is he good?
Hold on. Let me. He's looking all right.
Okay.
All right, Ryan Holt. You're good.
All right, bro. You have a good day, sir. Your
Oh,
shift
I
is
got
done.
an
Clean
achievement.
up any messes.
Yo.
Into the bus. Jacob, we're done.
Dude, Max.
Okay,
what
Jacob,
do
we gotta
do?
leave. We gotta go back to the bus stop. Hold on. Let's put this back in the... Oh, shoot. I guess I get to keep this thing... Jacob?
Hello.
Oh, we play the blue bus.
Jacob, chill out. Let's go. Head home.
Let's go.
Perfect execution, man. Come on. End of night
Okay.
report. $30. 85 freaking bucks,
yeah.
bro. Come on.
We didn't kill any humans.
Jacob, you did injure that poor lady.
No.
Okay. Wait.
The lady I shot was a doppelganger. Wait, Max, the one I shot as a bit was correct.
Let's get an applause for that, man. Let's get an applause for that. Next shift, Jacob,
was
let's do
calling me-
this. It's a new night. Check the notice board.
Watch
Come
this
on,
new
Jacob.
Strat, bro.
What? You said new strat? Let's check the notice board. Let's see what's
I know
up.
what I'm doing today. Hey.
Pay attention to any info you're given at the start of the day. The midnight news, Joe's Diner burnt down. Locals are shaken. Joe Bart Diner burned down? What? Once beloved Joe's Diner has been burnt down in what appears to be an act of arson yesterday. Jacob?
Again. Yes! Again.
Jacob, you gotta check this board back here, Jacob.
Locals are shaking the ones. Oh, God.
Who do we got? Who's our customer?
Shoot.
What does she want?
Shoot,
She
we gotta
wants
get behind the
plants?
counter. Don't
Jacob,
follow
she
her,
wants
that's
plants.
weird.
Jacob, she wants
Don't follow
plants.
her, that's weird, bro.
No, she wants plants. Jacob, you're scaring the crap out of her, Jacob.
Dude, no, I'm swift with it, bro. Dude, I'm already learning the mechanics, bro. Like,
Jacob, chill out. Just grabbing some supplies for my 30th birthday. Big one, you know? She's spending it alone? Poor lady.
bro, she is tall.
Kara Hastings. Okay.
Claire Hastings, I'll check her out. All right,
Yeah.
or
Go
not like that.
ahead and give it the rundown.
She's unemployed. Yep. Okay. She did tattoos. Okay. Wait. There's a new tab on the computer.
What?
Max. Max.
Shop. Explosives, Jacob. This is dangerous. Don't give us that, bro.
Wait, Max.
What?
Low key. Should we hit a refresh? Because you can hit two free refreshes in the bottom right.
Yeah. What? Refresh.
I want something crazy. Wait. Check her out first.
Okay.
We don't. She can't be.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry to delay you for your birthday today.
Hold on.
Happy birthday.
We
Happy
gotta have a
birthday.
new post.
Who the frick is this?
That's not me.
I know, Jacob. What does he freaking do, bro? Kill him, Jacob. Kill him. Clean it up, Jacob. Clean it up.
Max, you go to the register. I got it. Go to the register.
Hello, ma'am. Jacob, this lady's like a zombie. She's been eating like blood burgers. Good evening. Uneventful night, I hope. No, bro. It's been crazy in here, bro. I'm still thinking straight most of the time. All right. Hello,
Wait,
ma'am.
I gotta get the shipment.
Anita Varma. Let's see. Often has bags under your eyes. That checks out. Hair dyed dark red. Oh no, I thought that was like brown. No, she does have dark. Jacob, what
Hello,
the frick
what can
am
I do
looking
for you?
at? Jacob.
Wait, why is she a zombie?
No, I think she's good, bro. And what does she have in her shirt? Hold on.
Did you check the database?
Are you talking about the stain? It's nothing. I just spilled some coffee this morning. That looks like blood, bro. I think she's good though.
I don't know, man. Hold on, I'm gonna restock the shelves. You gotta take care of this one.
Okay. Wait, can I just like look it up? What does that do?
Max, I really want to put down one of these bear traps, bro. Like really bad.
Jacob, we have to wait on that, okay? All right, I think you're good, ma'am. Is she good? Does she like kill us if we're wrong?
I don't know.
It's like, okay, she has no idea where she's going.
Evil.
What's up, dude?
Holy! Hey, do you know where I can get that leave-in conditioner in the purple bottle this late? My wife Bonnie used to use it every morning. I asked her to grab it.
We met Bonnie. Richard McCree. Yeah, wait. We met this guy's wife.
I don't know. He's asking where we can get the conditioner. I don't know if we have it.
That's a good question. I don't know if we have it either. No condition. Okay. No, he's looking the wrong way, bro. Sir, turn around. Bro, this dude has jack squat, bro. What about clothes?
Wait, hold on.
Long day at work. He's avoiding my questions, bro. This guy, I don't know, bro.
Is he Dr. Sus Bolas?
I don't know.
I don't know, Max. I'm
Movements,
jiggle peeking outside, though.
Hey, man, I'm too tired to be at Jacob. He's dodging, bro. Hold on. Limbs. Jacob, kill this guy. He's dodging.
He's dodging.
Bear trap him. See what's up.
Bear trap him?
Tell him the story. that everyone must be told.
Gotta hit him with the flank.
Jacob, he can't see you coming, bro.
Clean it up quick. I gotta close this, by the way. They're gonna get in through the back gate.
Jacob, you left it open the whole time?
Dude, this guy is mustard and ketchup, man, bro.
Jacob, this guy's getting closer, Jacob.
What guy?
Come out here.
Hold on.
This guy's been getting closer ever since the start of the game, dude.
There's someone...
Get out here now.
Okay, go talk to the dude then.
Look at that guy out there.
What guy?
At the end of the fence.
Should I kill him?
You can try.
I'm 360.
Good job, Jacob. Good job. He's gone.
No, I don't think that's what we wanted.
What the frick is happening, bro? Hey, man, tired from a long shift at the local diner, probably. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Brandon Keller. Why does this guy look like he's been deep fried in a vat of butter?
We can't keep this door open, Max.
Okay. Ends most sentences with probably. Let's see about that. Got all my parts at the right spots, probably. Checks out. Feels probably a long day, you know. Doesn't check out. Still my uniform, just clocked out a couple hours ago. Pirate hat. Jacob, are you gambling on the spot?
No. I was getting the shipment. He works at Joe's.
Dude, but look. Wait a minute. Jacob, he's an imposter. Jacob, kill him. On this newspaper, it says it was burned down yesterday night. How could he have been in a shift today?
You hear that?
What?
I heard someone go,
I didn't hear crap.
Hello, have you ever heard your middle name?
Jacob, what if our report comes back, we just killed like every human ever?
Max, I heard someone, bro. I swear I heard someone.
You're thinking of stuff, Jacob.
Oh my god, that dude scared me, bro. He spawned in.
Jacob, he's the most normal dude ever, and you're scared of this guy?
Dude, Max, I feel like they're not gonna wait to be crazy till they get to the register one of these times.
Let's see, bro. Let's see. Ricky, how's that gas station grind treating you? Pretty good, bro. I'm out here making moves while you're still stuck in the rat race. All right, dude. Jacob, do you want to kill this guy just cuz? Jacob, no! I was joking. Ricky
Don't test me like that, bro.
Lawson.
I'm always ready to defend my freaking buddies. Hold on.
Jacob, look at this dude's signature. Look at this guy's signature. Jacob! Rickatron 3000.
He could just be a jock that's terrible at everything, though.
He's muscled up, bro. 2 packs of cookies. Uh-oh.
Switching it up tonight.
Jacob, I only see 1 pack of cookies.
Wait, usually buys exactly 2 packs of cookies. He said switching it up tonight.
While that's possible, I don't know if I trust it.
Max, come here.
What's up?
Give him the 360 no-scope legend trance. LG. Oh. Get him! Dude,
Jacob,
right
why'd you
outside,
shoot him, bro?
really?
Jacob, why'd you shoot him? Why'd you shoot him?
You did it, bro!
What? Ah! Oh my gosh, dude, that's Jacob. Your mopping scared the crap out of me. You let one doppelganger complete its transaction earlier in the night. What? They have altered the entities. They will arrive at Jacob, we got a trap. Lay traps. All right, Jacob, come on.
Okay.
Come on. What the frick is that noise, bro?
Emergency! Max, go to the storage room.
I'm laying crazy
load
traps.
Out. Fully load out. There's only one.
I put one down, Jacob. We're okay.
Okay.
Barricade. Come on.
Where are the barricades? What? Oh.
Jacob, we got this, Jacob. Come on.
6 siege.
Dude, I didn't know.
Max, you got your gun?
Yeah.
I got
Let's
2.
go.
Get two. I'm ready.
Locked in, Jacob. Locked in,
Where
bro.
are we going?
I don't freaking know. No, Jacob, we got back to each other. Hold on. Come here. Right here. I'll look this way. You look the other way.
Oh my god.
Yeah! We trap it?
No.
Oh my gosh, he's breaking down the whole thing.
Yo, Max, check this out. Zoom.
Jacob, no jump trick shot.
Yo, get the frick out.
Yo!
Where'd it go?
Let's go, Jacob. Come on.
Let's freaking go.
Come on, Jacob.
Go.
Shift is done. Let's go, bro.
Okay,
That's what
we
I'm
gotta
talking
clean up the
about,
mess,
man.
bro. How did that thing leave like no blood behind?
Hey, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
No, Jacob, we're actually techie with it, bro.
Oh
Come on
my
now.
god, bro.
Come on now.
Hold on.
We gotta take it. I don't want to just like kill a random customer randomly.
Hold on. I'm just trying to help everyone out.
Okay, that's good advice.
Alright, let's go.
W freaking shift, Jacob. Let's get this buddy.
Wait, what about that dude behind the building, bro?
He's not coming back, bro. I scared him off, bro. Scared him off big style. Adam Knight report. Oh, that's just so good.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
Wait, who did we kill? That was not a doppelganger.
Ricky? We killed Ricky.
Ricky,
why'd you gotta switch it up?
Ricky,
why'd you gotta switch it up? Dude, we were with it, bro.
Oh, Max, click next shift,
dude,
bro.
Jacob, for Richard McCree asks for a hair product for his wife. Searching where it revealed she is bald. Hey, bro, next shift. Let's get it, bro. Let's go.
Click in there quick. Notice board, what's going on?
Some contractors came up, finally fixed the gas pump. Along with your current duties, you also need to help drivers by pumping gas to their cars. Naturally, you must also detect if there are doppelgangers. Read the note by the phone. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Shoot,
dude, this is a good game.
This is a very good game.
Hey, let me pump.
Don't hey,
Yo,
bro.
Oh, sorry.
Spotting a doppelganger drivers. Ask them how you can help. Use this flashlight to search the car for suspicious items. Look up their license plate in the device to your right. Question them on these topics. If their store doesn't line up, you're permitted to open fire. You are not a cop. Ignore normal crimes. Only act on doppelganger threats. Jacob, read this.
I'm not a cop.
I'm not a cop.
Coming, buddy. Enter car's license plate.
Oh my gosh,
right.
Jacob is pulling up.
I got him. You run
Chloe,
the
please,
store,
car.
bro.
Go. Yeah, handle it.
Hey, what's up? License plate. Who remembers their license
Tell me
plate?
it. Tell me it.
04LJ. 04LJ.
Slow down.
04LJ. 04LJ.
Oh, wait. Wait, no. On this thing. Hold on. Ready? 19 expires 19. Hold on. Expires 1994. Blue station wagon. Dirt marks on lower exterior. Details updated weekly. Hey, I think he looks good, bro. Jacob, you gonna fill him up?
Check this front.
You gonna fill him up?
Oh, let me check the back. All right.
Bro, whoa.
Check the back seat. All right, let me get in. All right, let me get in.
Jacob, he has a bunch of guns.
Wait.
No, I think those are a bunch of weapons. Yeah.
Oh!
No, ask him about that, bro.
Let me talk to you about something.
Hold on. Let me get my
Don't act like
flashlight.
that's surprising anymore. I need to protect myself. I know dang well you've got a stash of guns somewhere in that store. Hold on a minute. Clothes? What's going on with my clothes? You mean take pleasure in asking stupid questions?
I don't know anybody that keeps a whole CS:GO loadout in their car, bro.
I'm gonna be honest. Besides the guns, he's chilling.
Dude, that's a whole CS:GO loadout.
Dude, I know, but that's W, bro. Like I'd be doing that too.
Okay. Is he good? You want to pump him? Yeah, pump him up.
How do I?
Jacob. Jacob, I don't think that's happening.
Are you good? Oh, wait. How may I help you? Give me 13 on unleaded. Oh, okay. Here we go.
Bill to $13 exactly, Jacob. Come on. No more, no less.
Dude, I'm scared, bro. These Float Me Please Blue imposters
Bingo.
just be doing this,
Bingo.
bro.
All right, you can leave, sir.
More times. Bingo.
You're good, bro.
All right, so you may leave. Took you long enough.
Wow. What's with the sass? Jacob's analyzing. Hold on. Who's this guy?
Let's talk to this frickin'
I can
dude.
see his butt crack through his shorts.
Okay, his signature looks kind of chill. He's just got a little Tommy. What's his frickin' name? Tommy Boxes? Just Tommy.
But he's got a shirt
Tommy,
on there.
No last name.
What?
Wait, no. He's got a last name. I asked him alive. He said I got nothing to say about that.
Whoa. Hold on.
Is that what they usually say?
I'm asking about his clothes. Yeah, I know it's just really hot. Let me grab some. It's nighttime. Everybody else is wearing clothes. You got to put a shirt on when you're in my store, little boy.
Hold on. Let me inspect some. Okay. Want to open your mouth really quick? I think he's fine. I don't know.
Okay. You have a good night, boy.
Let him go. You
have a good night, bro.
Let him go.
Yo!
Max?
Double it up and give it back to us.
Talk to him as quick as you can. Talk to him as quick as you can.
Come here.
No, the other dude.
Oh,
no, we definitely just let him go. Oh no. What?
Oh! My gosh, dude, this scared me.
Max?
What?
Someone opened a door.
Who?
There's a rat!
Jacob! Dude.
Hold on, what did he say?
Dude, it's the same thing. Oh my gosh, that last dude was
alive, but
imposter.
it's all
That
right.
last dude was imposter.
How do you know?
Dude, he's giving like for real answers.
No, he's not, bro. His date of birth, he says, I don't know what to say about this still. And alive,
What?
he said, I would say I'm alive, but it's all about perspective.
What the frick is this guy talking about? Being deep for no reason.
It, bro? Which one was it, bro? Max, I think we gotta gamble. Do we kill him?
Yeah.
All right. Max, distract him.
Hey, sir, can I ask you one question?
Take this all off. Max.
What?
Store generator.
Uh-oh. Jacob, fix that immediately. There we go.
I'm terrified. I'm
Jacob, we got a bunch of bullcrap this time from the thing.
Max! Max!
Jacob, I see it.
W painting.
Hold on.
Max, we both gotta hit him with a headshot at the same time.
Trick.
Come here.
What a loser. Get fooled, you freaking buddy. Freaking hashtag outplay, bro. Hashtag outplay.
That was a crazy outplay.
Wasn't that crazy?
Max, I feel like we did some like mega incorrect earlier.
Yeah, we definitely did. Hold on, we got a lad out here that wants gas. What's up, dude? Hello, sir. What, bro? How may I help you? Wait, license plate. Match registry. It's worn down car, but it's still legal. 3J4Z. Let's see, buddy. 1987 station wagon. Jacob, did you close the door?
No.
Jacob, did you close the door?
Door to what?
Jacob, it closed on its own.
Which door?
This door.
Oh, the big door? Yeah.
Clean exterior, rusted front wheels. All checks out. A little run down, but it's my baby. Okay, this guy swears by this vehicle. Close. Oh, sorry, I've been able to wash them for a while. Hold on, let me inspect.
Dude, it is looking pimpy in here.
Dude, this guy's car is made out of like meat.
Good. Sorry.
Bro,
That's
take a
gotta be
look.
Dude, he's an imposter. That's
Kill him. Easy, bruh. Yo! Yo!
What?
Yo! Yo, shit, bro, no. He's getting it, bro. Yo.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Don't even test this man, bro.
Don't let him in the back room. Okay.
Don't even test this man, bro. Get everything you need right there, bro.
Dude, this is legendary. Oh wait.
I never knew somebody could do that. Jacob, you serve that man. You serve that man up. I've never.
Ay buenas noches, amigo. Don't mind me. These feet won't stop moving, baby. Okay. Hold
Keep
on.
it moving, bro.
Hold on. Let me see it. Max, get this bear trap out of here.
What? Oh.
It's still there.
Wait, Jacob.
Okay.
I need to make a little edit of him. Hold on, right?
Come check this signature.
What?
Come check this signature.
Bro.
He just drew himself.
I can't even hate on that, man. I would do that.
What's his name?
Esteban Morales.
Worked long years of construction. Now I dance.
I could
Retired
see that,
construction worker.
Esteban.
Yep, very short. Yep.
This dude's got crazy lubed up joints, bro.
Born in 1933, 6 years, still moving like I'm 20.
Ooh.
I think he's good.
I think he's legit, bro. I think he's legit.
That's the most legit dancing I've ever seen. I don't even care about the signature.
Check this
That's
young man
top.
out. Check this young man out.
Do you think the signature is enough to be like?
Dude, I think
my
he's
God.
good, bro. We get the sheriff coming back.
Oh, the sheriff's come back. Okay. He's got the glasses on. He's got the uniform. Yeah, I think he's chilling.
Which one?
Getting the shipment ready.
Hey, I'm back.
What's up, Clyde?
How's the new job working out for you?
Pretty good, man.
Well, you're still alive. You're doing better than most.
We've been here for like 3 days, bro.
Proud of you, kid. Not many are willing to take a job that's dangerous. Your job's as dangerous as mine, but you don't get the same respect I do. Well, you've got my respect if that means anything to you.
Thanks, bro. Clyde, you look pretty good. Have to wear his glasses. I think this guy's good. Jacob, what are you doing? I think he's good.
Oh, wait.
Oh, whoa. I'm like
Max?
checking security cameras. What the?
Yeah, what?
Hey, who are you? Back away! Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, Jacob, is Clyde dead? Yo! Did you get him? Did you get him?
No.
You hit Lamar de
Yep.
Baber.
Yep,
Complete
not
transaction.
good.
Oh,
Not good.
shoot, bro. I knew it was that shirtless dude. Okay, Jacob, board it up, lock in.
Wait, hold on. I'm like low-key letting this shipment in. I don't know if this is a good idea.
Jacob, are you serious? Wait, no, we got time,
Do we?
That's all?
That's all I ordered. Okay, out of here. Yep, close
Jacob,
it.
load it up. Jacob, load it up.
Where do I put it? Where do I put it?
Jacob, you bought it.
Oh, okay. All right, we're good. We're good.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Max, they could come from the...
The little baby! Little baby's running around!
He's over here!
Yo!
There's so many of them!
No! No! No!
I killed it!
Thank you. He's gone. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
We did it.
Come on,
We did
man. Let's frickin' go,
God,
Jacob.
Bro, we can't be messing up like that, though.
Let's go, bro.
All right, I'm gonna restock all the shelves. You get all the blood and the stuff.
Okay.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh. Jacob, we gotta do something about these rats, bro.
I got racks. I got racks. Wait, Max.
What?
Before we leave, hold on. I gotta stock these shelves really quick. Hold on. One more shelf right here. Before we leave, one more for the road, baby. Give it to good.
Hat. Traffic cone. Are you kidding me?
Get that on, Max. Actually, no, I got it.
Yeah, you got that, Jacob. Let's go.
Dude,
Dude, today's revenue $99. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
99.
I'm having a laugh.
Jade was the. Yep, it was the first Tommy. It was the first Tommy. Oh no,
Oh,
he
shoot.
died. No, he died to the frickin' funny money.
Yeah, killed. Yeah. Oh,
Hey,
finished
bro,
demo.
I would return to that.
That was mad good. Alrighty, y'all. Well, if y'all enjoyed that playthrough of Shift at Midnight multiplayer, you'd like to see us if you'd like to see us return to the full game, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially to make it this far. Comment your favorite timestamp, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.